Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. Guys, I have to say, I'm sorry about the tech issues this morning. I hate having tech issues, and there's nothing worse than having tech issues on a Monday to start the week. That's not a good sign. But I hope everyone had an amazing long weekend. Happy 250th birthday to you Americans out there. I hope you guys probably partied hard, but I hope you guys are also ready to lock back in because it's Monday. Everybody knows, every trader loves a Monday because we can get straight back into the markets. Let's just go straight to the charts because we are 7 minutes into the Frankfurt Open. We don't want to miss any setups now, just in case there are setups. We got to be ready. Good morning to you all. I will get to everybody in a minute, but let's just get straight into the charts. So this is at the moment NQ Daily. I will do the top-down analysis as usual, guys, and then I'll throw it to you and you can let me know whether you're short, long, not trading this, and whatever you guys are thinking. So this is the daily. Currently on NQ, we have an inside daily candle. So nothing of too much interest there. We have previous day high sitting at, let me just switch down. It's a bit easier to see. So previous 4-hour high is sitting at 30,320 to the tick. And then we have previous day low sitting just below at 29,328.5. And then previous week low is definitely a level I'm watching, as I said last week. Levels to the downside, all these relatively equal lows sitting at around where previous week low is right now is definitely a level I'm interested in taking out on NQ. Definitely to the if I was to target anything this week, that level is definitely something I'm eyeing up, which previous week low is sitting at 29,273.75. Reason being is because there is just so many equal lows here. This is a 4-hour chart. So when a 4-hour has stacked consolidation, it's a lot stronger than like a 1-minute consolidation, for example. This is 4-hour candles. So this is a whole bunch of consolidation on a high time frame. And so in my opinion, I say that's too clean and we're going to head for those levels at some point. And then we've got right now we are trading. I did take a trade. I will go over it in a little bit, but I did take a trade in this setup. So what we had was a sweep of previous 4-hour. This was before the 2 a.m. candle opened. So this was in the previous 4-hour candle. This one here. If I go back, basically. We had swept. That's not going to work, is it? There we go. Wait. Anyway, bar replay is not going to work on 4-hour. But basically, this candle had swept out its previous 4-hour low, and we had tapped into a 4-hour bullish gap, which made it an A+ setup. So I had to take it. I happened to be at the desk on time and earlier, so I had taken that setup. Basically was looking for the reversal play out of that bullish gap to continue to previous day high levels. Took off a partial at 1-to-1 and then it got stop break even on the rest. Looks like we could be heading to Asia low here, which is previous 4-hour low, before we make that move to the upside. But I'm very much interested taking longs today. So Asia low is also in line with previous 4-hour low today. It is that level 29,683. That level is definitely something I'm keeping an eye on just for the session today. I do expect us to sweep this, but then I expect us to at least go out and take out Asia high. So that's sort of what I'm looking for in the session today, looking for a sweep and buy. Oh, and this is the execution. I took it on micros. So this is a trade. But wants to... Oh, why am I still in replay mode? That's weird. Okay. That is the trade. Let me just shift this. Okay. All right, so this was the entry I took. Basically, after we had dipped into the 4-hour gap, I took the inversion out of there and then had literally, it was like a 20-ish point scalp. Took that, went break even on the rest. So looking for a bit of it because we were close to Frankfurt Open and obviously London Open is going to bring in more volatility. So I'm aware we might not be making that huge move before London Open. So I had stops at break even just because I assumed we probably would chop around and probably head for that Asia low level before making the big move. So that is the trade. That is what I took. Still green. Did take partials. But yes, how is everybody doing? Slamming longs at 580. Okay, damn. You think we're going down? Chat, who else is in trades right now? Who took longs? Who is in shorts? Who hasn't traded? How about we do a bit of a poll? Nameless says, let's go. I'm ready to risk it all one shot. No, that's not the attitude, Nameless. We got to be disciplined traders here in the London session. Hey, Kyle. Good morning, Trader Sarav. You know what? Let me quickly, while you guys are letting me know what trades you're in, I'm going to quickly do a good morning run. Let's see who was here right on time. Good morning, Jalen Trades. Good morning, Alvian Sniper. Good morning, Bobo. Topple. Good morning, Lucky Mon. Miss Kitty. Good morning, ID. We got Chad. We got Inizio. King Solomon, Sazia, Torres, the African, Yannick, who else? Giar V. Sin, Christo Cape, Ruchi, Kiz, good morning. Pino, Juggle, Constantine, Ruchi, everyone's here. Balaji, good morning. All right. Awesome. Yeah, guys, look, what can I say? Tech issues. I haven't had tech issues in a long time. So honestly, I was a bit shocked when something wasn't working. I was like, no, this is not Bali all over again. No trades yet. Just woke up from yesterday's party. We beat Brazil. Oh my gosh, yes. Let's talk about, we need a quick World Cup update. That is true. I mean, I was way too tired to watch the Brazil-Norway game, but I heard it was crazy and Haaland just came through in the end with these crazy strikes. Then we had England on a red card who beat Mexico 3-2. I cannot wait to watch the highlights of that game. That was on, yeah, that was like my middle of the night. So I didn't watch that one, but I can't wait to watch the highlights on that game. All right, so best trade's flat right now, waiting for London. Just wondering what's your nationality. I'm Australian, guys. Born in Australia, but living in Bali. No, not living in Bali anymore. Living in Greece. Hey, Celine, you took the trade before your live. Yes, I just happened to be, I was at the desk and I was setting everything up and then saw the entry and I took it. Very rare that I would actually take an entry before Frankfurt Open, but this being a 4-hour gap that we were this week, that I was playing out of a 4-hour bullish gap with the 4-hour 15 alignment was just too clean. I had to just take the little scalp, but it was nothing crazy. Guys, I wouldn't take anything crazy without it being live. But yes, I did take a short scalp. What country do you support? Well, I was supporting Australia till they let me down. They really let me down. That was one of the worst penalty shootouts I've ever seen. Guys, for reference, go and watch the Australia last game where we went into penalty shootouts. It was terrible. Honestly, I'm disappointed in them. So then I said, well, who should I go for now? And I need England to win in the sweepstake that we have at Tradeify. So I'm England all the way. I think they can actually win this. Kiz says that Australia game was embarrassing. Embarrassing isn't even the word, Kiz. It was so bad. Oh, don't even get me started. It's like we gave up. We just gave up. Terrible. And we could have won. We could have won. They gave up. They said, let's just take it to penalty shootouts. I don't know why Australia continues to do this. We just love to have a draw. And they push for it. It's like they get excited when we go to penalty shootouts. It happens so many times in our World Cup performances. But yeah. And then whose idea was it to put an 18-year-old kid on a penalty shootout in the World Cup? Don't even get me started, chat. Boxing says Australia was not making it to World Cup before. I would be happy if my country would make it to World Cup. Last time they qualified to a World Cup is 98. Oh, Bogdan, what country are you talking about? Damn, that is a long time ago. Yes, Brian, giveaways every day. Thank you for asking. There will be giveaways today. I'm going to say, what should I say? 300 likes is going to be the number to bring on Nick. But then I'm going to say 430 likes will be the first giveaway target. And I was late, so we'll make it a good giveaway. But 430 likes is the first giveaway target. Make sure if you're just joining the stream, guys, make sure you smash the like button. We want to do those giveaways. But Australia won the Women's Cricket World Cup. Guys, don't talk to me about that sport. Cricket is like, I mean, I love sport, but cricket that's not it. I mean, go Aussies, but I really don't like cricket. Good morning, Mixie. Trade Tech Professors, I just like the stream header. How do I receive my 150k lightning? Look, I wish it was as simple as that. US versus Belgium tomorrow. What's your take? Ooh, US have been playing good. Like some of the best football, I think, or soccer. I think US men's have ever played. The US women's team is really good, but I've never seen the US men's like this. So I actually think US could take that. I think they could win that. There's just probably a lot of hype with the World Cup being in America as well. Depends if they were partying for 4th of July or not. That is true. Propstat says, isn't that your national sport? We have many. The main one that is our national sport is actually called footy, Australian rules football. We call it footy. And yeah, it's much more entertaining than cricket. JK versus lol, JK, look at gold. I called the reversal liquidity grab, still holding my sales. All right, nice. Let's take a look at gold. So some of you are in shorts. Damn, nice move on gold in Asia. Nice little sweep and sell off. I like it. Where are you? Who was that in shorts? Dre, where are you looking to take profits from your short? Because there is quite a bit of room to the downside here. The next levels I would be looking at to target is probably daily open. And then beyond that, this swing low from last Thursday. Clean. At the moment for me though, I won't have a setup until that previous 4-hour low level is taken. At the moment, it's just hovering above, so it hasn't quite taken that level. So we'll see. Maybe get a trade on gold today. Maybe not. Not going to force anything. We'll see. Philanthropist, do you think price will retrace towards 4-hour bearish FVG? Where are we? 4-hour bearish FVG? Which 4-hour bearish FVG? What are we talking about? Oh, the one here. Okay, sorry, let me zoom in. Yes, that would be, so certainly if I was to take shorts somewhere around Asia low level after we sweep and tap into now, it would be this 4-hour gap. Levels to the upside would definitely be taking partials or taking something off when we get into this 4-hour bearish gap for sure, because time and time again we can see this where we drop into a bullish gap and then buy up into a bearish gap, and then we have this sort of chop up and down sort of price action. So I'd at least be looking to take profit, but if bullish price action is to remain, I would hope that we close over this 4-hour gap and continue into the New York session back up to that previous day high level. So I wouldn't want to see that to remain bullish biased overall for today. I wouldn't want to see that 4-hour gap respected. After the session, I'd want to see that inverted. But I'll let NQ drop a little bit more. But after we get into this 4-hour gap, I really want to, like, as low as this midpoint is enough. Like, sweep out Asia, tap as low as it could potentially get down into 29,631 around the midpoint of that gap, and then no more. Then we have to turn around. And if we're failing to respect this level, if we're not going to hold this midpoint, then bulls are probably off for me, and the shorts have probably taken that. Because, yeah, any lower, I'm not interested. US got their red card player back thanks to Trump corrupts FIFA. Wait, what happened? I don't know about this. Were they not meant to get him back? England versus Mexico, hands down one of the greatest World Cup games. I heard about this. Rowan Trades, I heard. I need to go and watch it after the stream. There was no way I was going to get up in the middle of the night for the game, like, especially because I have to be awake and alert to stream. So if I had watched that game, this would have been a very different stream. But I will. I'm going to go watch the highlights and I'll watch the replay after this. Good morning in Africa time. Sorry, are you trading German 30 this morning? Good morning, Clint. Good morning to the Africans watching. No, I'm not trading the German 30. This is NQ. I only trade NQ and sometimes I trade gold. But no other assets. Hey, we got Nick in the chat. Good morning, Nick. He said, I watched it. It was crazy. Morning, everybody. I heard. I want to. Should we just have like a highlights viewing now? Should we be down for that? I want to see this. I'm so annoyed, but I'm glad England got through because that's who I need to win. I need England to win this World Cup. Lucky Mon says disgusting politics and FIFA. So what happened? They can't just change the rules because Trump said. What happened, chat? England won't make it past the Vikings. Yeah, that's going to be a really tough game. Yeah, Norway versus England is going to be crazy. I mean, but to be fair, if they can stop Haaland, I feel like that's all they need to do. Just like everyone man up on Haaland, everyone don't let that guy shoot, and then England should win that. Trump asked Infantino to reverse a red card. Really? Okay, I have to look into this. I think if US did not take the World Cup, Trump will just start it from the beginning. What? All right, I'm going to have to look into this red card conspiracy. I don't know if that's actually true, what happened. I don't think, usually FIFA, like, they're pretty strict. They can't be doing that. All right, no trades yet. This is the 4-hour gap. This is also a 4-hour gap. But we're not going to label that one for now. All right, so pretty much just at the moment looking for a drop down to sweep out Asia low, take out that previous 4-hour low level, tap into the 4-hour bullish gap, and then have an entry off that level. Trump going to crash NQ if US loses? Well, we don't want that. Messi literally did the same thing and FIFA didn't give him a red card. Hey guys, look, with Messi, this could be his last World Cup, so we're going to allow it. Anything Messi needs, or we have to. It's potentially his last World Cup, so there's no way he's getting a red card. He can't go out. His legacy cannot end on a red card. I understand that. Philanthropist, which indicator you're using to highlight key levels on the chart like previous day high. That level, this indicator is just the sessions and key levels. This one right here, built by Script Edge. It's just on the indicator list. You can add it to your chart. Sessions and key levels, this one. That's the one. Pretty much you can print any sort of previous level, any sort of current level you can think of. It's literally all in this one indicator and it's very clean. I prefer to have like minimal text and lines, so it just really helps because I don't have to come onto my chart every day and chart it up and do it all myself. Like it's all there. So go and grab yourself that indicator. It's really good. Bonjour de France, madame. Bonjour, Remy. Dizzy got a red card on his golden walk up on a small head pump. Really? I don't remember that. Why don't you guys trade DAX during London session? Mixie is just nothing I've ever looked at. I've never looked at the DAX, honestly. So to just randomly take a trade of the DAX based on the analysis that I use on NQ, like it wouldn't work. I would be terrible at trading the DAX because I like to think that all the markets move very different. Like you can't just trade one sort of strategy on NQ and just hope that it works on DAX. So I'm also someone who uses backtesting and relies a lot on data. So I wouldn't just go and take the same sort of setup on DAX and just cross my fingers because I have no idea what the data says about that setup actually printing or working at all. So that is the reason. Messi looks overrated. No way. Messi looks like he's at his prime. Messi's at his prime, chat. Romaine, hello Celine, how are you? I'm good. I want to know why you're not using VWAP anymore. Guys, Romaine, I never use VWAP. That's weird. I had this question the other day on chat. I've never used VWAP in trading. Like I have it there. It's definitely something because I know a lot of you guys use it. I will flick it on from time to time, but it's not a significant, it's not of significance in my trading. Ah, there we go. Robert said she never did. Yeah, I've never used VWAP. That's so funny. Maui, if I've traded Iceland, I have a question. How do you learn your trading? How do you learn your trading? Like the way I studied was pretty much from watching ICT lectures, taking notes, and many notes, like handwritten notes. Hold on, wait, I have them here. This is like a whole bunch of notes that I took when I was first learning. It's all handwritten. Every single page has diagrams. There's like, yeah, it's all handwritten as well. That way I was like fully focused. I would pause a video, write stuff down, go to a chart, and do stuff like that. And that's what I did for like 6 months straight. It took a long time. And then I just was in the market back testing a whole bunch of different things. And I was pretty much just trading an eval straight after that and using the eval stage as my like trading ground stage. So I was taking small size trades, like 1 micro, but still like trading with sort of money. So I had something to risk. And yeah, that's how I learned. Constantine, Celine, what do you think about gold? Gold right now, I said that if we get a sweep of its 4-hour previous level, yeah, we haven't swept that yet, but I'm looking for a sweep of previous 4-hour low here. Maybe even we could potentially drop into daily open, but there's not much other levels to the downside that I can clearly see. We didn't get it, so it would have been nicer if we did sweep previous 4-hour low and then take off, but we've kind of just retested that previous day high, held that level, and now we're buying up again. So I'm waiting. I would prefer probably to see the longs on gold today. Put it that way. Just didn't get a setup in here. I need that to sweep. But yeah, we'll see. Not the cleanest gold chart for me. At the moment, NQ is just chopping around. I'm glad I went break even on that trade I took earlier because, yeah, this just doesn't want to make the move yet. You can tell. Up, down, up, down, up, down. We needed to go straight up. All the ICT traders in the chat. OG Frank says ICT is GOAT. ICT, I mean, from what I've learned, it's pretty goated. Anyone in NQ buys already? Yeah, I think some people could be already in buys from what you guys were saying before. I would just be careful. Like we are 30 minutes from London Open and Asia low is still intact. So I just feel potentially we could be dropping down to take out Asia low first before we go any higher. But I do like the longs for the play for today overall. OG Frank says, if you're not following ICT, you're cooked. Bookmap traders are trash. Well, I know a very profitable bookmap trader, so cannot agree with you there. I think everyone's strategy can work. I think ICT, I think bookmap traders, I think people that just trade like volume, like all of these things can work. It's not like only ICT traders are making money or only volume traders are making money. Like everyone can use any strategy. It just has to be back tested, and that's all it is. It's not like one strategy works over the other. Justice for Celine's missing plant. I know. Okay, yeah, that is a sad fact that I don't have my plant anymore. So I do have to buy a plant and a light. I pretty much got my setup planned, but I need to find the stores here that will provide me what I need. So that's a job for this week for me. I got more of the house stuff done, by the way, if anyone cared. I've just moved house, so I'm very much busy in filling and furnishing the house, and it just takes a long time, but I'm getting there. Can you suggest good ICT learning material? Honestly, go to the 2022 mentorship. That's what I watched. And yeah, that's how I learned, just basically off that one, and watch it a few times. You have to be taking notes as well. If you are going to watch those lectures, some of them will go for a couple of hours, and it's hard to stay focused the entire time. So make sure you have your notes. You need to be taking notes during it. Otherwise, if you just sit there for 2 hours and listen, you're probably not going to take it all in. Also have a chart next to you. Like when he goes through an example, just have your chart. You can go to the example yourself, be able to take a screenshot of that, document it. Maybe I should do a video on how I took notes for studying ICT, because I feel like it really helped. Celine, you should make a paddle court in your room. I should get some framed like paddle, what are they called, rackets, and put them on the wall. ICT is concepts, not a strategy. Correct. So once you learn the concepts, it's on you to build your own strategy using those concepts that you find works. 2016 content is better. I'll be honest, I did not watch that. I've only ever watched the 2022 mentorship. Big pump. I wouldn't say big, but yes, we are making a move back higher. We did take out this swing high on NQ. Look, I was entered all the way down here. If I was still in this trade, I would have been hating myself. So I'm glad. I'm glad I went break even on that. Couldn't last in this chart for this long. But maybe we're going to go for previous for our high. We could be going for Asia high from now. I mean, Asia low is still there, but we could just be printing now. We'll see. We're still got 30 minutes, roughly less than 30 minutes till London Open. Oh, it's getting cold in here. Like the stream so we can get Nick on. Yes, chat. Actually, I haven't even checked on the likes today. 300 was the goal for Nick, and 430 is the like goal for the giveaway. What are we at? 522 watching. Guys, you can easily get to 300 likes at least. There's only 177 likes. If you've just joined the stream, we're doing our first giveaway at 430 likes, so make sure you smash that like button. We were also smashing like goals last week. Like we almost hit 1.3 thousand on Friday. And I'm just going to say it, if we hit 1.3 thousand likes today on stream, we'll do a big giveaway. Look, I'm not going to say max elo. I don't know if I'm going to get fired for that, but we will do something crazy. But we need 1.3 thousand. We need to break the record. Can we get Nick early? Let's have a like call for early entry of Nick. 300. If you get 300, I will personally call him and tell him to get on stream. I don't think you guys are going to do it. Brody Trace's target filled long from 768 to 826. Damn, he just hit TP, 768. Oh, nice trade. Bogdan, you literally bought this move. Congrats. Who else? Guys, Who else is in longs right now? Holding or taking profit? I know most of you probably are. Yes, Clacky, I am bullish biased for the session today. I was in a long already. I did go break even on that. And now NQ is making its move. It's pretty choppy. Reason I was in the trade earlier is because we had the 4-hour bullish gap be tapped into this area right here. So we had the 4-hour bullish gap. We had sweep of previous 4-hour low. This reaction here. Let me just put this on. This reaction here at the previous 4-hour low, and then that aligned with the 15-minute sweep, which was around here. Yeah, around 130 was the entry. So we swept a previous 15-minute low. We also swept into a 15-minute bullish cap. So FEG stacked on FEGs here. And then I was just taking partials at 1-to-1. So it slightly went up. We tapped into like a 5-minute gap into here, and we sort of reversed back out, but we didn't actually take this low. So this was where my stop was. So would have still been in this trade, but still didn't want to be taken out in case we were heading all the way back down for that Asia low level. So break even it was. And we have just taken previous 4-hour high now, which is interesting. That is that 4-hour bearish gap I was talking about as a target to the upside to definitely be taking partials out of. So interesting. It's going to be an interesting session now. What are we going to do with this 4-hour bearish gap? Interesting. We have already put in a bottom wick on this 4-hour candle. We could continue just to be buying up the rest of the session now. That's what I would think, but let's see. We could get actually a bearish move out of this gap now. Head for that Asia low. This is going to be interesting. Celine, what do you enjoy doing other than looking at the charts? Good question. Not a whole lot. At the moment, I'm very much locked into my charts. No, I'm kidding. I like to, anything sort of activity-wise, like I'm pretty much down to do anything. Soccer, I actually really want to get back into my soccer, my playing football. Being at the beach, cooking, music. I have a lot of interest. It varies. Even gaming. I mean, I love it all. But charts, honestly, that's where I'm at most of the day. What indicator is that at the bottom showing a sweep? This one, okay, the buyer's high time frame sweep, etc. That is linked to my own indicator that I had built that sort of just visualizes my setup. So that's linked to my high time frame. So high time frame that I look at is the 4-hour, and I align that with an intermediate, the 15-minute time frame. So that's that. It'll tell me when it's swept. It'll tell me if it hasn't been swept, it'll just have the cross, and it'll also tell me when I get my 1-minute inversion that I'm looking for as well. So that'll turn to a tick. So it's just very much a visual way. There's a few things I have to look for when I'm trading. And when I'm streaming and trading, there were times in the very beginning where I was just missing setups because I wasn't watching, and I also have like little things like if the inversion has to happen, for example, in the first 10 minutes. So checking time and blah, blah, blah. Like it's too many things to check when I'm streaming and trying to read the chat and get back to you guys. So now it just prints. It's mechanical, but I still use my discretion deciding which of those setups I'm taking. So it's not completely mechanical in that way, because I'll still decide whether I like the setup or not. Good morning, Ripster. Good morning, Debu. Guys, if you're just joining, make sure you smash the like button. Like I said, 300 to bring Nick on, and then 430 for the first giveaway. Ripster says, oh, the drilling is done. Sounds crystal clear now. Wait, you can hear the drilling or you can't? Because the drilling is still happening in the background here. I actually woke up to the drilling. What is that? Oh, okay. Well, Roman says he can't hear. So before Roman could hear, maybe. Interesting. Well, that's great, because it's frustrating to hear drilling while you're trying to trade. Thank you, D-Money says, no, he's lying. No drilling. Yeah. Okay. Well, Roman already confirmed, so that's great. He is lying. Andy Will says, never mind. ES just sweep Asia low, then move up. Never mind. ES just tagged previous for our high. Yeah, there is a few things happening here that I'm watching now. So this confuses things. Basically, previous 4-hour high has been swept, and we now have a bearish setup here. So we have a tap into a bearish 4-hour gap with a sweep of the previous 4-hour high. So for the session, technically, I should be looking for a short now. But given the structure, given my discretion, what I think is the cleaner move is the long. Yes, we're playing into a 4-hour bearish gap, but these 1, 2, 3 weeks that we're now leaving behind, we've tried to retest this midpoint of this 4-hour bullish gap 3 times now, and we have just bounced and held. I'm saying that the bulls are more in control here, and to sell off now that we've already put in the bottom wick on this 4-hour, I don't like the idea as much, especially if we're going to get a strong market structure shift here on the 15-minute. If we close in the next 1 minute above this high, the longs are on. I'm saying Asia high is definitely a target. So let's see. I probably won't be taking my A+ setup today because A+ would be trying to short this, but I do not like that. Using my discretion and saying I do not like the idea of this 4-hour coming back down. But yeah, my buy entry was good. Damn. This was the entry I was in before. So I had entry at this inversion, stops at the low. And then I literally just targeted the 5-minute gap as a partial. It was like 20-ish points. And then went break even. So would I have still been alive? Yes, I would have just actually still been alive in this trade. And the rest of the targets would have been for that high there. So this actually would have filled full TP. I would have still been alive just by a couple points. That would have been one crazy hold. That would have been the beginning of the stream as well when I had all the tech issues. So that would have been not so fun. But yes, the direction, everything about that trade ends up playing out, just break even there on the rest of the contracts. But that's the plan anyway, because from like time to time, I will take that 1-to-1 and then the trade will completely reverse on me. So being able to lock in partials means that I'm able to secure profits and then just go break even, so I'm not risking anything else. And in prop trading, it's just base hits. Honestly, that's how I feel about it. You just got to go for those profits, lock it in, go for the next one. Like there will be another setup, no doubt about that. But just to be able to lock in profits there is what you want. How'd you try to Celine? You had a plant background before, now you had a stick in the background. What's going on with your furniture? Okay. I am waiting for a lot of furniture to arrive. This is actually my light, but I haven't got, well, I could probably set it up, to be honest. But the issue here is a lot of my, thanks, Roman. A lot of my plugs and PowerPoints are Australian. So I'm having issues where I need to get the adapters that'll switch it from Euro to Australian, for example. Also, like there's only one PowerPoint here. So this light would have to run across this window. Believe it, honestly, it's my priority this week, today, even to get at least my pink light on. But I just don't have the right outlets here for that. But leave it with me. I'm working on it. This week, at least, there will be some more furniture, but I'm waiting for a lot to arrive. Some has definitely been ordered already. But yeah, I know it's boring to look at just this, the wall, the dark room. Good morning, DD80. Clacky says, hopefully it invests at the 4-hour bear gap and hits my TP at 928. Yeah, I am hoping we invest this 4-hour bearish gap too. I say we do. I think this 15-minute candle would have now closed above this high. So that's a strong signal that we had a market structure shift here when we closed above this high, and then we've done it again and had a break of structure there. So we had market structure shift here. Market structure shift because we were printing lower lows here, and then the first market structure shift was when we closed above this high, and then we had another break of structure when we closed above this high. So now we have two higher highs that have just been put in on the 15-minute time frame after now creating this bottom wick for the 4-hour candle. So I very much like this for the longs. We're also inside of a 1-hour gap. Interesting. We also have a 1-hour gap here. So the gaps are definitely we'll see when London opens in the next 12 minutes, if this 1-hour gap is also closed, inverted, I reckon longs are the play for sure today. But let's see. There's a lot of gaps going on. Bearish 4-hour and bearish 15-minute inside it might just flip. Given the market structure that I just pointed out, I don't think we're going to flip bearish. If we do have a bit of a drop on NQ, it could just be short-lived. I don't think we're heading all the way down for that Asia low now. But I'm not a market predictor. I have no idea. I will just be watching whatever happens here. But I just think we're probably heading for Asia right now. It's good to have targets, but doesn't mean I'm married to any sort of bias. I know anything can happen at any time. Why did you move from Oz? Basically, trading over there is terrible. Trading at the hours that I was in Australia, it's midnight at least for New York session, and then London session is around 6 p.m. Around 7, 8. You're trading literally through the time that you would normally be eating dinner. It's just all over the place, and also just wanted a new environment. I love being close to anything in Europe. Is just being able to fly to London, being able to take a train, being in Italy for the weekend. That's the kind of travel I want to be doing right now. So just being here in the heart of Europe is a big plus. And Australia is just so far away. Australia, future Texas, I'm in Oz. I know what you're saying. It's terrible. And having to wait for a big 27-hour flight to get to Europe, and then have to rush in a holiday in a couple of weeks and then fly a whole 27 hours back, just over it. Sick of doing that. I've done it a few times, and then being here is just ideal. Being able to just live here, trade here, time zone's better, environment, weather, climate, everything's better. So yeah. This is better than the pink background, TBH. AG Trader, I don't think so. I'm going to get a plan. We're going to do the pink lighting. It's probably going to be pink themed in the back here, just so you know. Just so you know. I'm also going to get some sort of LED lighting. I'm thinking to get a sign. I was thinking about it last night. You know how Claudia has her Inhale Exhale? I feel I should get a pink sign in the back that says something iconic to the London session, something like that. Something that's only we know. Hey, Leah, late tuning today. Happy Monday. Had a nice win on a long on CL. Caught it from 68 to 69. Well done, Leah. Another smashing TP trade for you. Good morning, cheese balls. Perth is good for trading. Yeah, Perth was similar. I'm pretty sure Perth and Bali have the same time zone. So I was in Bali for a little bit, but even then it's not as ideal as being in Europe. Being a Euro session trader, and also having the ability to trade New York if I wanted to as well here, because it's 4 p.m. What do you guys trade anyway? Is everyone here just a London session trader, or do you guys trade New York as well? Get a sign that says trust Congo man. No, that gives that guy way too much attention. Krisha, what is the indicator that draws previous day high and previous 4-hour high? I'm seriously thinking about getting some sort of light in the background that just has the name of my indicators so people stop asking. But this is the indicator. This is, we have the sessions and key levels, and also some of the levels are being printed here. The previous 4-hour high and previous 15-minute high. This is my own indicator that I had built. So that's those levels. But majority of levels that you'd probably want to see sessions and key levels is in this indicator. So like your Asia session levels or whatever London, New York session levels you want to see, any of the previous day levels you want to look at, this is all customizable. So I suggest getting this. And yeah, very simple and easy to use. Okay, so this is you guys telling me what you trade now. So future says Asia and London, New York and some Asia. Oh, lucky one, you're not trading London. Clacky says Asia and London mostly, NY usually. Only London. Yeah, it's a bit mixed. This guy says all day. I feel that. Whoa, Miss Kitty says I trade Asia, London, and New York AM. Where in the world are you trading that? All 3 sessions. Oh, to be fair, Bali was probably like that. I was probably able to trade all 3 sessions in Bali. Bodhi says I haven't traded New York Stock Exchange in a few weeks, making bank in Asia usually, and if not by London, no need to trade in the day. I love that. I love being able to bank before the crazy New York Open, so then you're not pressured to get into that and then lose everything in like a 1-minute candle. That's the best. New York is when I make the most is EEC. So it's pretty mixed then. Trading the morning 4 hours where the money is at. That 10 a.m. reversal though, that's crazy. I have 2 playbooks, one for any session and one specific for New York. I show up for London to see if my playbook shows. If it doesn't, then I wait for New York. Torres, you have a very disciplined approach. I respect that. Appreciate that. 300 likes done. Call Nick on stage. Oh, are we already there? Let's have a look. Okay, we have well and truly smashed 300 likes. So we got to call Nick on stage. Nick, if you're listening, they've called you up. I mean, he might not even be on the stream anymore, but we're ready whenever you are, the Nictator. And with that, chat, we're actually not far from the first giveaway target. So 430 likes is what I set for the first giveaway. We're sitting at 317. So we're only a little bit over 100 away. And I said if we get to 1.3K today, we are 100% doing a crazy giveaway. So let's do it. I stay up low California time. Oh, you're in California time trading all those sessions, Miss Kitty? That is crazy. Looks like MACD crossover will happen on the 30-minute. I'll take it. Oh, Kyle trades a MACD. Interesting. It's very interesting that we all trade different things, but sometimes we're all in the same. Like majority of the chat might be bullish, but I know there's MACD traders in there, there's VWAP traders in here, there's bookmap traders in here, there's ICT traders in here, but when we're all on the same page, I think it's a lot better. Is the Antarctica session same as the North Pole session? What? Wax says, Nick's always watching, I can feel it. Well, I sort of have the same feeling that he's here, but he doesn't want to come on just yet. Let me actually get his intro ready because I never have that ready. Okay, there it is. All right, cool. It's ready whenever you are, Nick, if he's listening. We're waiting. Oh, there he is. I'll be there in 2 minutes. Okay. He's coming. Hi, if you're not busy after that. Whoa, Mateo, good try. Honestly, good try there, but no. RSI traders here. See, there's so many different styles of trading in here. Stephen Kalajian's strategy of divergences. Interesting, Kyle. I've never heard of that guy. Now I'm going to have to look him up. I mean, I'll look him up later. Stephen Kalajian. Oh no, I think I have seen him. Yeah, I know that guy. Did he write a book? I feel like I've read his book. Timmy needs Timmy. Hey, we got the Nictator in the back. So we are ready to go. Ready to have a killer London session chat. Let me bring on this guy. Let me get his intro ready. All right. It's that time, chat. Let me introduce you. Hold on. Why did that just go? That just disappeared. Let me introduce you to the one and only YT wearing, head over moving, GP trading, biohacking, music catching, stay with ketchup abusing, sample trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, pub guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, time mega sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery, stock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI full porting, no prep marathon running, Nictator, DMC strategy inventing, Mario Kart, thrice humiliated, 91% no stop loss win rate, once betted, Deshaun, Lurley, I don't know if I said that right. The one and only Nick.
That came so unexpected. Lurley.
The
Lurley. Hey, good morning, everybody. How we doing? Good morning, Roman. Good morning, Celine.
Good morning.
All right. So we are back.
How are we doing?
How is Australia doing in the World Cup?
Oh, no, we are not going to talk about that.
Oh, wait, they played already?
What?
They played already?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know.
You're trolling me, Nick. You're trolling me. It's Monday.
No, I would never troll. But chat, put a big fat one in the chat if you're ready for the week. Put a big fat one in the chat if you're ready for the day. Put a big fat one in the chat if you're ready to make some money. Put a big fat one in the chat if you love Talene's solo hour so far. And I'm just gonna say these next 2 hours are gonna get even better because now the London gang is complete. I'm gonna make some money. So, Talene, did you take any trades yet? I see one on your charts, but
yes, took a long, got stop break even on the, took a partial and got stop break even on the rest.
Break even?
Yes, break even. But I'm looking for another setup. I do really like the longs to play out in the London session today. I can see that happening.
Here's London Open, by the way.
Ding, 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 ding. We haven't done that for a while.
Yeah, for real.
But you're already in a long? You're already in this?
Yeah, I messed up a bit on Friday, honestly. I thought I was on another account and added pretty aggressively and then had a big red day. So now I'm in a long on one micro because I've been in this since 8:30 p.m. Eastern time, so for a long time. But I couldn't add into it, even though I would have added into this, like perfect levels, but I couldn't because I don't have enough drawdown. So I need to make money on one micro to increase drawdown again and then go from there, which sucks, but it is what it is.
Yep, it is what it is. Well, I hope those longs play out for you. I will probably re-enter if I get... I'm sort of waiting for a bit more of a drop. There is a 15-minute bullish gap that I'm watching to see if we can tap into that and then buy out of there. But it wouldn't be my A+ setup, but I prefer it today to be on the side with longs. I like it.
You like it, yeah. So far, the overnight session is 329 points total range, as you can see here on my screen. So let's see where this takes us today. What is your bias? I heard before you think more longs than shorts.
Yes, thinking more longs. Basically, the 4-hour low seems to have already been put in. We do have a wick here on the 4-hour, and don't like the idea of, yes, we're trading inside of a bearish gap, but 1, 2, 3 wicks now on the 4-hour in this area of price coming out of this 4-hour bullish gap just tells me that it's a lot stronger for the bulls at these levels. So I don't think we're going to come back down here and completely flip bearish on the current 4-hour candle. So that's why I think that low has been put in now, and I'm going to try to take any sort of short as a pullback and long that into at least Asia high, I think potentially. Also because this huge 4-hour bearish gap that we had from Thursday got inverted just from Friday's price action. So that has now been closed over. This on the 4-hour just looks like a pullback. We tried to drop down lower here on the 4-hour in this gap, but we failed to do that. And now I am waiting for, we just tapped into that 15-minute gap. So yeah, I am now waiting for, it's just gaps on gaps on gaps here this morning. I'm waiting for now a 1-minute reaction out of this 15-minute bullish gap. We'll see.
All right. Yes. All right. Well, I heard you promised to chat a giveaway.
Yes. So here's what happened this morning. I had like some tech issues. Roman and I were like running around trying to fix it, but I was like 5 minutes a little late. So I told them we'll do a really good giveaway. So yeah, we got to do something for these guys. So I said 430 likes. Have we hit that yet?
No, 384.
Okay, well, when we get there.
Do the work. Put in 430 likes and we're going to run a giveaway for you guys.
And it'll be extra good.
Extra good?
Well, I owe it to them.
That's true.
It will be. It'll be good.
What is an extra good giveaway for Monday morning?
Still working on it. Maybe they just get like more on the spin the wheel. We're going to give them like a whole bunch of 150K accounts. Or maybe it's only 150K accounts. We just don't know. We're just going to spin for select growth or lightning. How about that? Deal. So chat, somebody is going to win 150K account, but we just don't know what type of account yet.
Yeah.
Make it interesting.
Very true. Anirudh, you must be new here, asking if I'm on a treadmill. I'm just wearing super slippery socks and I'm practicing the moonwalk. So it looks like it's on a treadmill, but it's not.
You guys should try it one day.
That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Takes a lot of effort, but it's pretty cool once you master it, you know.
Yeah,
I would call myself a super slippery sock moonwalk master.
Well, master is probably, it's probably fitting. You probably are the master of that. It's been a long time. I think we actually got the likes all of a sudden. 438 likes.
We did. Peter, send Amazon link to the socks. Nah, I'm sorry. They're custom made. I can't. I can't.
Michael
Jackson did them for me, actually.
What was that?
Michael Jackson made them for me. All right. Let's run a giveaway then, I guess. Chat, if you want to participate in this giveaway for a 150K something account, we don't know yet if it's a growth, select, or lightning, then all you got to do is you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, or what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're going to get disqualified. If you ask me how to join the giveaway, then you're going to get super duper mega disqualified. So don't do that. Here we go. Here's the link. Let's go. All right. Where's Carrie? That's a good point, Wag. Where is Carrie?
Carrie.
Oh,
Carrie
he's here. He's here.
Really?
Yay. What's up, Carrie? What's up, brother? How you doing?
I caught longs, the 4-hour high time from trend looking short.
Did you have a nice weekend, Carrie? I'm still sad, Carrie. You know why? I'm so sad that you didn't send me your screenshot because I wanted to give you a 25K growth account for free, but you never sent me that screenshot. So I'm sad that you didn't claim it.
Well, we know why. Kerry never took that trade.
No, of course he took it. He's just above the 25k growth account level, so that's why he didn't take it. He could have given it away, to be honest.
That's true.
But yeah. I'm sad. He's just shy, says Lennox. Jonathan says, have a like. I'm running on little sleep and I'm still drunk, so have a great session. Hey, Jonathan, I haven't slept a single minute this night, so we're 2 on this team.
A single minute?
Nope.
Damn, Nick. It's going to be a fun stream chat. Whenever Nick comes on stream and he has 0... Is that because you were trading? Like, why were you not sleeping?
Trading, yeah. I was trading. I like to trade the Sunday Open.
And when do you plan on sleeping?
Yes.
Yes. I entered this long, by the way. I am trading this.
Oh, Kerry says, I record all my sessions in caps lock. Then why didn't you send me the recording? You could have gotten an easy free account. Oh, man.
Because he doesn't want your free account, Nick. He's beyond that.
I want to give him a free account. Come on. Hey, Jonathan, I watched a football game as well. It was great. It was a great match.
The England game?
Yeah. That's pretty crazy. First I watched the Brazil-Norway one, and then I watched the England-Mexico one. Both were good.
Can't believe you're still awake, because I was... no, I tried to watch the Norway, because our time zone's what, like an hour difference? That was at like midnight.
No, that was at 10 p.m. my time, so 11 your time.
Yeah, it was 11 p.m., went till 1 a.m. I really tried to watch and finish that game, but there was no way. So I don't know how you do it with no caffeine as well, Nick. That is crazy.
We got the Swiss water here, you know? Swiss bottled water.
And just the vibes. The vibes is what keeps you awake.
Of course. Of course. Tote Torres says, bro, I sent the full port with all my prediction accounts in Mexico and blew it. Yeah. Sucks to be you, dude. Hey, what's up, chicken? Everybody put some corn in the chat.
Hey, chicken.
For our good old chicken friend.
Yes, Amir, that's 2 micros, by the way.
Matt, is Swiss water code for something else? No, it's actually just Swiss water.
Yes, because people are asking, Mike said, Celine, why please? Someone else is asking. So yes, this is not my typical trade right now after having swept out previous 4-hour high, but I'll tell you why I'm in this trade. Reason is we are trading out of a 4-hour bullish gap right now. There is already an established bottom wick here on the 4-hour candle. So for it to flip bearish and drop,
can you zoom out a bit, zoom in a bit more? Like I can't see the candles.
Yes.
Make the candles bigger, please. It's too small.
This.
Now zoom in more. We need to see the action, you know.
This. Is this good enough? Nick, I was in the middle of my analysis, you stupid. All right.
Sorry, it was funny.
Chat, here we go. This is the 4-hour candle. This is now looking like some crazy chart, but this is the 4-hour candle. This is the 4-hour bullish gap that we're currently trading in. And this is the 4-hour low that I'm talking about that I think has already been established here. So I'm taking this with 2 micros. We are, yes, trading into a 4-hour bearish gap, but I do believe that's going to be closed over. That's where the analysis is heading. Also because Asia high has all these stacked highs. This is the 50-minute chart, but all these relatively equal highs here just below where Asia high is sitting. So 30,000, which is also a key level. And that's the analysis. So the entry was based on the 15-minute pullback into the 15-minute bullish gap. And once we had that, I took it based on a 1-minute FVG. So I took the entry here. I had a buy limit on and had this market structure shift. This is a similar entry that I would actually take in New York session So my entry looks sometimes in New York a little bit like this, but there's a 1 minute market structure shift and then take the pullback into the 1 minute gap after that. So that was the trade.
Nice. Nice. Oh, now you're zooming out. Nice.
Yes, that's better.
Better. Well.
That's better.
Chad, good morning. Can you please tell us what you mean by taking it with 2 micros? That means she entered the trade with 2 micros. Like, do you trade futures? Trad? P3F?
Maybe the word taking it. I probably doesn't make sense.
Damn, we already got 500 plus likes. Crazy.
Let's go. Today's the day we're going to hit 1.3K. I can feel it.
Ooh, okay. Well, let's run the first giveaway, I would say. I'm going to copy everybody over from the giveaway form.
Let's do it.
And then we're going to see who gets a 150K account. We don't know yet which one it's going to be. Actually, I'm going to first spin the account type. And then, my laptop is in the way. There we go. Boom.
No, we still 150K.
Yeah, I know. The left side doesn't count. Chill.
Okay.
Just to select. Boom. 150K select account. 150K select account for, let's see who's gonna get it. It's copying. 1 second. Bam, 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 bam. Damn, so many people in here. Takes a long time to copy. Here we go. Okay, 150K select account for bada bing, bada bong. Boom. Siddharth Raj. Siddharth Raj 9. Type something in the chat.
What's funny, Nick?
I have a friend whose name is Raj.
Congrats, Siddharth Raj. Collect your prize. Drop something in the chat.
Yep. Type something.
Where is this guy from?
Andrea, I know exactly where he's from. And you know it too.
Is he here?
I don't know. Siddharth Raj, where are you from? Not where you're from, where are you at? I know where you're
Siddharth Raj, where you from?
Yeah, there goes the no sleeps butcher.
It's already started.
There he is.
Oh, the no sleep butcher has to be in your intro now.
That's why there's no SL butcher, you know? The SL is for sleep. Okay, 150K select account coming your way, Siddharth. All you gotta do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email. And then once it's in there, we're gonna be sending you your free account within the next 7 days. Congrats. Next giveaway at 701 likes.
Doable, chat. Very doable.
Oh, easily doable.
I'm saying, look, I'm going to say 1.3 thousand. We do the max LO that we were going to do on Friday.
Wait. What?
Or not?
Celine's going crazy, chat. She wants to get fired in the beginning of the week now.
Oh yeah, that's true. We were trying to get fired on a Thursday. Sorry. Let me read that. Maybe not on a Monday.
Maybe yes. Well, the only way to find out is to hit 1.3K likes, and then we'll see. It's the only way, chat. Kerry says, bloody hell, your trade.
Wait, did Kerry give us a signal of what he's in at the moment? Since Kerry's like a market maker.
Hey, I need Kerry signals.
Kerry, give us a signal.
Please.
Tell us what you're trading.
Kerry, please. I need you.
Roman, can you ban Celine, please? The hell? Robot?
Robot, why? Okay. Give us a good reason, Robot.
Oh, what? And then you'll consider?
Oh, look, Kerry says I took longs to the 4-hour unmitigated typo. Gap already got out. Okay.
Typo. No, Aditya, Mario Kart is for Fridays.
Actually, I might not be able to play Mario Kart anymore.
Did we get in trouble?
No. But I had to switch some stuff around on my desk, and I don't have to switch here anymore. I have to set everything up again, and that kind of don't really feel like doing that.
Excuses.
Yeah.
So when my Switch was not set up for my desk, you made me in the middle of a stream go and set it all up, get it all out, get my power adapters, change from Euro to Australian plugs, do all of that.
Yes.
Just to play Mario Kart on stream. And now all of your setup has changed, and now you can't get your Switch out because it's changed.
Yeah.
This is why he's the dictator, Chad. He is the dictator around here. You can see excuses, but he's allowed to make them. Make it make sense, Chad. Right?
Maybe we'll have it. We'll see. Carrie, again in caps lock, asking, what the reason for your trade? Carrie, I just like longs. That's the reason. He says, come on, Tradeify traders. What's the reason for your trade? Teach us something. You're promoting them. I'd like to learn something. Okay, Carrie. I like to buy low and sell high. Now, at the very point in time when I bought this was the low, right? Now, obviously, it's not the low anymore. In a usual case, I would have added to this trade at around 760-ish, so around here. Not at the very low, because it would have need to go down to 660. However, I didn't, because on Friday I messed up and added into the wrong account, which was this one. I thought it was another one. And I added way too aggressively and then had to take an L on it. So now I don't have much drawdown left. So can't really add into it. I have to take one winner with one micro, and then I can take another trade, and there I can add into it, as I explained before. Anirudh says, my legs hurt looking at you doing that, Nick. Have you never walked, Anirudh?
It's just walking. Stereo, is Nick above the law or is he the law?
Yes.
Yes.
To both. 100%. Sahil says Portugal versus Spain. Mike Play says Portugal, of course.
When's that game again?
What's that?
Oh, that's today at 10 p.m. That's going to be such a great game.
Carry Trade says, so in other words, you just add two losing trades. Yes, that is absolutely correct.
Correcto. Switzerland, Colombia tomorrow.
Yep, that's going to be important. That is going to be important.
I don't want to watch Egypt ever again. Terrible team.
Sahil says, I got motivated. 15K steps a day. Thank you, Nick. Nice. Good. Good. I got to turn on my AC really quick. 1 second.
My money's on Portugal, just for the record, chat. I was wrong about Australia, but I'm right about this one.
Actually, fun fact for the guy who said his legs hurt just looking at me. This night, okay, I was sitting in my chair. I was not walking. I was sitting in my chair. I was trading. It was at around 3 or 4 a.m. my time. I was sitting here looking at the charts. I just added to a trade. Suddenly, out of nowhere, I get the craziest leg cramp in my left thigh. The craziest cramp I've ever experienced in my life. My fiance was sleeping. I was almost screaming out loud. I was literally sitting there like... It was so bad.
Like now what were you saying?
Like this. It still hurts.
Dude,
yeah, the guy is not wrong.
Have you been still? Is this from your High Rocks training? It's probably from.
Probably because Friday we did High Rocks training. Yeah.
That is crazy. Fun fact: there's actually a High Rocks gym up the road, and I was like,
you should go and try it.
I challenge myself. Yeah, but everyone looks so fit there. Everyone's got like 6-packs, and I mean, it's motivating, but I just would not fit in.
So how do you think they got those 6-packs?
Well, yeah, I know. They did high rocks.
So,
but like the running part of high rocks is what I'm not going to be good at. I can't run like 8Ks. I just can't do it. I'm not a runner.
Celine, how do you get better at running?
You have to run. I know. You have to just start with a K, which I did. I was like recently running in Greece a bit, but it's too hot here. It's way too hot. It's like 35, 40 degrees.
You can run in the morning. It's not that hot in the morning.
It's pretty hot.
I ran when I was in Greece in the morning.
But what time of the year were you here? Because it's very hot right now.
In September.
Yeah, September.
Early September though. I would also go run now. It's not a problem. It's just gonna go earlier when the sun is.
No, you
not
wouldn't
out.
run in this heat. There's no way you
would. If there's you just gotta go when the sun is not out. That's the trick. So you gotta go early. Or late. That works too.
Yeah, but then going late would probably affect my sleep, I feel like.
Okay, then go early. There you have your answer.
So then it's a matter of, well, World Cup is on right now and I'm not going to be sleeping at a great time. There's always an excuse.
But you're not watching the World Cup. You just said that in the beginning of the stream.
No, I didn't watch last night's. I didn't watch the 11 p.m. game last night. That's true.
I hear excuses.
Leave me alone. I'll try.
It's fine. You can just say you don't want to do it.
But I do want to do it. I'm convinced I do want to run.
Okay. Let's get into this, Celine. I want to help you. Okay, I really mean it. I really mean it. I want to help you. Okay. Do you actually want to do it?
Yes.
Okay. So when do you usually get up in the morning?
I want to be fit enough to do a high rocks.
Shut up. When do you usually get up in the morning?
8.
8. Okay. When do you go to sleep?
But that's the thing. Right now, at 1, 2 a.m. with the World Cup.
Okay. But you didn't watch the 11 p.m. game?
I watched a bit of it. It was like midnight, 12:30 by the time I got to bed.
Okay.
There's no way I'm going to be doing that and then waking up probably have to wake up like 7 to go for a run.
So is there a way that you could potentially go to bed earlier for like an hour earlier, 2 hours earlier, and wake up an hour or 2 earlier?
No.
Why not?
Because the World Cup.
Okay, so that means the World Cup is more important to you than your fitness and health.
But it's like, okay, I know the World Cup is only here for a couple of weeks, and then after that, fitness can come back as the important.
Okay, so once the World Cup is done, you're going to be going to bed 2 hours earlier, and you're going to be waking up 2 hours earlier.
I'll do it. I will. Yes.
Okay.
Sleep routine is very important for me. Yes.
Okay, great. So what time would that be?
So let me say I'll do like a 10 p.m. and wake up and run at 7. That's good.
Good.
All right.
There you have your solution.
Okay, done. Easy.
I'll take some notes really quick. 1 second.
Receipts. It's taking receipts. Look, I am actually going to that High Rock stream today. I am going to go sign up and talk to them. That's actually no lie. But the running is just, I'm working on it. This train might be cool.
I took my notes. We're good.
Okay, take your notes. Nick parenting Celine is the best thing. I'm so sick of it.
I'm not parenting. I'm just trying to help her because she said
did parent me. You're like, okay, what time are you going to
it's important to her, so that's why I'm trying to help her find solutions for her problem. Which now we found a solution. Great.
Chat, we call him the Nictator because he just dictates around here.
You can say that, or you can say thank you.
Oh, thank you for what?
For helping you find a solution. We have a solution now, right? You said it's easy.
No, it's true.
Once the World Cup is over, easy, done. That's what you said.
It's true. It's the World Cup right now. That's what's throwing me out.
Okay. So, cool. All good then.
Okay, cool. Done.
Hint, if you really wanted to, you could even do it now with the World Cup.
Yeah, but no, let's not go there. Because I'm not going to go into it, but it's very hot in Greece. When I say it's hot, it's like you cannot.
But you can go in the morning again. I mean, I traded the entire night, watched both World Cup games, and went to the gym for an hour this morning. So what's your
gym this morning?
Yes. What's your excuse?
How? Oh, this guy wants no excuse. How are you doing that with no sleep?
Magic.
No, that's crazy. Chad, I don't know if that's healthy. We should not be encouraging this. Don't do like Nick, you mustn't be human. Because going to the gym after having no sleep and having a brain like focused, because it takes a lot of energy as well to be trading. Jeez.
Yeah. Yep.
It's called sacrifice, Celine. Yeah, damn. Look, Nick has a discipline thing down pat. He is very disciplined. You got to give him that. Like, I don't know anyone else that is going off 0 hours of sleep but still going to the gym because that's the routine. I don't know how you do it, honestly.
Just do it. It's literally just do it. When you don't feel like it, then do it. It sounds really cheesy, but it's literally that. I didn't feel like going to the gym this morning. Not at all. Really not at all. Yeah, Pericles, that's right. Whoever wants will find a way. Whoever doesn't will find an excuse. That's very, very true. Very true. Amir says he's not a human. He's the Congo man. I'm not the Congo man. I promise. I really promise. I'm not.
He knows.
Oh, Carrie says, I put my house on it. They're not profitable. Well, first of all, there is THEYRE, not THERE. So make sure you type it properly. Otherwise, it makes no sense, your sentence. And second of all, how big is your house? I'm looking forward to it.
I just got stuffed out of that long, very short-lived, and can see there is a sell entry there that would have been off the 4-hour high that's playing out now. But I still prefer this for the longs. Gonna wait. This just might be a deeper retrace into the 15-minute gap. Okay. Just waiting. My fund accounts do not like me today.
Why? Did I say something? Like, Celine, stop. Please.
Stop losing.
Don't abuse us. Ayal, are we throwing some more accounts today? I mean, yes, once we hit 701 likes, we're going to run a giveaway. A little giveaway.
Seriously, what happened to IRL stream? That's why I subbed. Hey, I mean, that was fun. That one time I went to the July, except you know what the shit thing is here? I have to sort out an internet solution for Greece, for IRL.
Just take your Starlink with you.
Just have like the Starlink thing with me.
Hey, also that's a great idea. In order to get fitter for every trade that you take, you do 10 push-ups.
No.
Why not?
Because no. Push-ups is
just another idea.
Hey, I never said I'm not fit, by the way, Chad. Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying I want to be better at running because that's
also not what I said. I said in order to get fitter.
Okay, that's fair. You can say
doesn't
that.
Say you're not fit.
Fitter than I already am, huh? Okay, we'll take that. Celine has so many excuses.
Come on, let's do it together. This is our new London challenge, okay? For every trade one of us takes, we do 10 push-ups.
I don't want to do mine on stream because I probably look.
You can do them next to the camera so that nobody sees them. It's fine. As long as you don't cheat. Just do the 10. I'll do them right after you, so that there's always somebody on the stream.
All right, I'll do them on the side here. You guys can't see.
Do them on the side, how many are we doing? You don't have to do them on camera. You can do it on the side. Doesn't matter.
Okay, how many are we doing?
10 per trade.
I've taken 2 trades already. Wait, but the other one wasn't taken on stream, so I'm gonna just do 10.
Okay, this is a start.
It's something. Okay.
Go. Well, Roman, you're not gonna see anything because she's gonna do them off stream. So you can just stay on the chart.
I'm here.
It's just like a little head down there. Hello.
Hello. Wait, I'm actually doing push-ups right now. You ready? Okay. No.
Vita says per losing trade would be more fair. No, it's per trade. That way, we both get fitter, you know?
The air needs to go on here.
That sounds like fun.
All right, go for it.
Next event. Did you do 10?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, that was fast. Good.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Go.
Did you do them with knees in the air or knees on the ground?
Knees in the air.
Good. Great. Okay, let me do the 10. 1 second.
Great, go for it. Shut up, Justin. Oh, we can see his head going. What? That's pretty quick.
And we're done. Easy peasy. Let me take more trades.
All right, done. This is good. Push-ups are hard though. I don't have the best upper body strength. Push-ups are hard.
Head ups. Oh, we're just able to see my head behind the plant.
Yes. It was pretty funny. Your head was really close to your plant.
That's funny.
Nick, your wig was falling off. Damn.
A wig? Damn, I thought nobody will catch that. Shit.
Oh, some of you did push-ups with us?
Nice. See? Already having a positive impact on people. Let's go.
That's awesome.
Let's
All right, well,
go.
we've definitely started something here. We all have to be in this now. Nick has gotten us all into this challenge. So every trade, we're all doing 10 push-ups.
Mm-hmm.
That'll probably stop a lot of you from over-trading as well.
Or everybody's just going to get super fucking checked.
Jesse, are you out of your trade? Yes, guys. If you want to see, just be Nicholas Wickless out of this.
Carrie, stop spamming. Justin says, holy cap, Celine was just laying down. No, she said she did them, so she did them.
She did them.
I trust. Pickled Egg says we should alternate 10 push-ups and 10 squats. Ooh, yesterday, my fiance and I, we hiked the mountain. I did like 25,000 steps. So if I did squats right now, I would probably fall over. My legs hurt.
Oh, that's why your legs were cramping.
Probably.
Oh, shit. You climbed a mountain.
Probably.
Every last 20 times push-ups? 10 push-ups is not enough to keep most away from another trade, at least 20. Well, for me, it's enough. 10 is a lot.
How many push-ups can you do in a row?
Wait, someone just said what? I thought Celine was your fiance. What the hell?
No, my sister. My sister from Anatomista.
Yes. What was the question?
How many push-ups can you do in a row?
10 is probably the max. Yes, that was
No,
limit.
you did them fast, those 10 before.
Yeah, well... Knees. Okay, knees were on the floor, Nick. I gotta admit.
Okay, at least.
It was the girl push-ups. I did the girl push-ups.
Okay. At least you're honest.
Every win you do 5. No, Chad, we're not changing it. If you trade, you do 10. If you lose a trade, you have to do 20. How about that?
No, we got to do 20 when we lose? Okay, do we have to do it when the other person trades or loses as well?
No. Because it's for your accountability, you're trading.
Damn it. I would have closed my trade at a loss on purpose right now.
Why? You just love doing push-ups so much?
No, because I want you to do push-ups.
Oh.
Love it.
Celine, can you do 5 good form push-ups? Yeah, like in actual form, 5 is probably my max. I'm very... Look, you can
That's pretty good. Most people can't even do 1.
I have some upper body strength. Look at that.
Well, what is your biceps going to do for your push-ups?
All right. Whatever. I'm saying...
Asking for it. Roman, also, let's go to my screen. I'm still in the trade. Thank you.
Toby says, lol, this will for sure cut off my overtrading. Sahil says, Celine never lies. At the end, she admits. It's true. It's true. I never lie. I can do 60. I think 60 is low if you're fit. 60 good form push-ups? I think that's incredible. I think that's really good.
That's good. NQD money. That's good.
Bro, when is this NQ going to move? Order of ICT. I thought that was going to say ICT. But at the moment, no, NQ is going nowhere. I thought
order
this was
of Licht.
Licht. I don't know. Licht.
Yeah, order of Licht.
Order of Licht.
Yes.
So aggressive, Licht. Yeah, these markets, I thought we were going to get the move. Now we're just wicking here on the 15-minute inside of this 15-minute bullish gap. So we're hanging around. I'm definitely still on side with the longs. That is definitely where I think we're heading. But NQ's just going to tease us for a little bit here.
Boxton says, Nick knows longs will always pay off. Stare says, by good form push-ups, I meant, where is the form? My friend, you're disqualified for the rest of the day. Also, Kevin, good morning. Good morning,
Kevin.
Duri says, I have no problem running 50 in a minute and a half. Yeah, that's easy. 50 in a minute and a half.
50 push-ups?
Yeah, that's easy in a minute and a half.
Damn.
Easy.
What's up with the giveaway? We've already given away a 150k account. We said we're going to do another one at 701 likes. So let's just check on that real quick. At the moment, 642 likes. So we're not far. We're not far at all. Good morning, Mangel. Let it drag for long, in my opinion. Kyle, I'm with you there. $1,300 likes, I give away a Lambo.
Whereas the form says he meant me. Yes, he meant you.
Sniper trades, you've been here before.
Sniper trades?
I doubt that's a genuine question. Oh, your camera just switched off.
Yeah, because it fucking zapped me again here.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh man. Chad, I'm looking at this poll. There is 69% of us bullish, And 31% are bearish. So right now we're actually on side with the chat, Nick. A bit scary. Does that make you want to short this?
No, I'm in longs. Longs.
Well, chat is with us today. Oh, that just dropped. Someone just...
Parminder says, shut the fuck up about push-ups. Talk about what we are here to list. To list?
To list?
What do you
Are we
mean?
here to list?
What do you mean, sir?
Rocky says, can someone push the NQ 10 points up, please, so I can go to sleep? Sure. Let me make some calls. One moment. Ooh, gold made a move here.
Trading gold today?
Nope. No trades on gold.
Okay, Parminder, what are you here for? What do you want us to talk about? Because I'm in a trade. Roman, if you go back to my screen, you can see it. I'm in a trade right now, in a long. We helped Celine get closer to her fitness goals. We did push-ups. What else do you want? What else do you want? Let us know.
I've also been in a long, break even on a long, stopped out on this long, really wicked out on this long. Guys, we're trading. It's Monday and I've been in 2 trades already on the session.
Lou Battleground says Parminder can't do a single push-up. Maybe he's just jealous. It says talk about cows. Yes. Okay. So, did you know that cows do not wear sunscreen?
No, really?
But they have really big hats, so they don't get a sunburn. Like I did yesterday. Actually, my whole neck is sunburned.
As if Switzerland has sun.
Rookie. Oh, Switzerland has a lot of sun right now. It's very beautiful, actually. It is very beautiful.
Weather in Lucerne.
It's actually really nice.
Oh, 29. You get it. It's pretty hot there.
And sun. And sun.
Oh, it's only a couple of degrees hotter here. It's 32 here. 32. All right. There is another high broken on the 1 minute here on NQ. What is happening with my trades? Look at that. Look at that. Little Nicholas Wickolas treatment here.
Going back to my entry now.
Horrible. So broke even on this. Took partials, broke even, and then we skyrocketed to that full TP. Then I took a re-entry long. We had the 50-minute gap below that we tapped into, took it long out of there, had stops just above this. Like I had it deep into this 50-minute gap, but clearly not deep enough because the 50-minute midpoint of that gap held and we had to sweep me out of there and then go for full TP. So this has been fun. This has been a fun session so far. What can I say? Thank you doing me dirty again. But I'm waiting. I can get another re-entry. Yeah, I'm very convinced of this move, this Asia high. And we're gonna wait for another entry. Yeah.
Roman. Thank you. Nope. Thank you.
Wait, what?
Thank you. I was waiting for him to do it again.
Oh.
Null. Dumbledore says higher. Your chart is wrong. Carrie said lower due to unmitigated gaps. This is a scam. Yeah, listen to Carrie. Carrie knows. Wait, Justin. You can't just leave now. What the hell are you doing? You don't have permission to leave.
Who's trying to leave?
Justin.
Excuse me, Justin?
And Tando, stop spamming. I'm gonna put you in a 1 minute timeout. Think about it.
Justin, you're not going anywhere. The market's about to wake up. We're about to print.
It's already awakened. It's awake.
Justin. You know what I got in my fridge, Justin? Some fresh overnight
oats. She got them overnight oats.
Yep.
Robot says your leave request has been declined. Yes, that's correct. Personnel says first time listening, love it. Hey, welcome to Tradeify TV.
Welcome, personnel. I already printed.
Says, bro, put me in timeout. LMAO. I about laughed myself to death. Well, if you laughed yourself to death, why are you still here? How does that work?
Oh my god. God. Justin, no, not good enough. He said, I already printed in Asia. I just come to London to talk to you two. So why are you leaving us? We're still here for another
if you
hour.
came here to talk to us, why are you leaving? That makes no sense.
Right. These people aren't making sense today. So some guy laughed himself to death and yet he's still here. And now Justin is leaving, but he came to talk to us, but now he's leaving. Like, what's going on, chat? Are you next to Jesus still scary?
Everybody got to have a carry in the chat.
Justin says I have to sleep for New York. Fine, I'll allow it because at least you're going to be there for the New York session with Tradeify TV, so I'll allow it. Nick, are you allowing it?
I mean, he says, I gym at 5 a.m. My sleep is worse than Nick. Can't be because I didn't sleep a single minute. So try me. Try me. But yes, Justin, you're allowed. Go sleep. Enjoy.
You're excused.
Enjoy. J.O. says, why is no in Australian nar? A great question. Nobody knows.
No. I don't know. You know what I do know about the Australian accent is we pronounce words that end in ER very differently from the rest of the world. So like it's called there's a name for it. And it's something to do with like how we've been taught to like pronounce and our mouth structure and all this. There's actual science behind it. It's called the schwa. That's it. It's called the schwa. And we pronounce words with ER like instead of we go So like butter.
Butter.
And what's another ER word? I'm just trying to think. ER. Freaking. Anyway, that's the one thing that I know Australians do different. That's why the accent is pretty strong. But no is just simply no. I don't know why.
Deshaun?
Deshaun? What? Yeah, water. We say water. Water, butter. That's the only time I can really hear my thick Australian accent when I'm talking to someone. So yeah, and then soda's the same, not soda. How do Americans say soda? We say soda, banana, butter. It's all the same.
Banana.
Sewer. We say sewer, not sewer.
Sewer.
But yeah, that's the only real difference I can tell you guys. It's called the schwa. Look it up. It's actually a thing.
The Sean.
The schwa. Nor is simply no. Sewer.
Okay, two deaf people have Australian accent when they use sign language. Yep, they do. In India, suar means pig. Didn't know that.
Le Schwab is a Thai company here in the US. May the Schwab be with you. This is funny.
Funny.
The 4-hour bearish FEG killing momentum for longs. Not for long. I think we are going to invert this gap eventually. It's just taking its time. We're almost traded up to the full, because that gap ends at 29,880. So we're like 5 points away. That's all that's left to fill up this gap.
Project code funnier. Funnier.
Funnier. Funnier.
Just a little funnier.
Funnier.
It doesn't try to find half anyone who speaks the
Do we say
king.
Nick Metzger? Doesn't Tradeify everyone who speaks the king's English?
We all speak the king's English.
Well, yes.
Yes. Ashtig, Nick's accent is basically American, right? Nah, I'm like some weird mix.
He's some hybrid between German and Swiss and who else knows? American. But you said you never learned English from an American teacher, right?
No.
Interesting that you have like the American twang on your words.
I mean, probably because I talk to Americans all day.
Sure.
Maybe that's why.
Maybe eventually you'll learn your English through me. Maybe you'll get that Australian accent. I mean, 2 hours a day, every day. Imagine you start like saying butter. Butter.
Can I get the butter? Hey, chat, we only need 8 more likes for the second giveaway today. So how about you hit that like button?
How about it? Now, Sahil says, hey, Sling, congrats. Australian women's won the World Cup last night. But Sahil, I don't watch the cricket. Someone else told me about this. Like, happy for the Aussies to have a win, but I'm not a cricket fan. I don't watch it. I have no idea what's going on with, like, women's cricket. I don't think I've ever watched it in my life. Men's cricket I have watched before. But women's I've never watched.
Jonathan says, I volunteer as tribute to teach Celine proper English. Proper English, yeah? Well, you got to do it as the Spadette, Jonathan. Spadette teaching Celine proper English.
Jonathan sent me that in my Instagram DMs, and because I couldn't hear the sound on stream, so I think he did me the honors of sending that. Oh, Jonathan, I could not stop laughing. That was the best.
Jonathan, because of Jonathan, I tried Domino's pizza on Friday. It was a 6.5 out of 10.
6.5 is even. I mean, I don't know what it's like in Switzerland, to be honest, but
it's not bad.
It's probably like a 4 in Australia.
It's not the greatest, but it's not bad.
It's pretty bad in Australia. Aussie rename everyone too, they shorten it. That's true. Like, we give nicknames for everybody.
Jonathan says, yeah, Nick, I managed to get a cookie this time too. Nice. Yeah, last time your daughter snatched all of them, huh?
Yeah.
You're welcome, Jonathan. You earned it. You won the bet, so.
Nick, are you standing on a treadmill, sitting and walking, says Pickled Eggs?
I'm sitting and walking. So basically, the way how you can walk the entire day without burning any calories or like very low calories is you just take your chair, you put it in front of the treadmill, and then you just like let your feet hang over the chair, and then you just walk a little bit, sitting. That's how I do it. As you can clearly see, like I'm literally sitting in this chair right now.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yes.
So.
Yeah, we see. You're just super tall.
Yeah. Very.
Looks like you're standing, but he's actually sitting, and then, yeah.
Very.
It's a technique. All right, we are ready for this giveaway.
Oh, give you for the rippy? Let's go. Let's go, chat. If you want to participate in this giveaway, then all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what the name of the form is, or what shape or form I'm in, or I don't know, any sorts of questions like that, you're going to get disqualified. If you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get super disqualified. So just don't. How about that? Here we go. Here we go. T3 metrics, you are disqualified. Congrats. Comment, what's the like target? 701. The next one is going to be 909.
And then the next one after that is going to be 1300.
For Max Allo?
For a Max Eller, I'm saying it. It's a Max Eller.
Oh. Andre says Nick is in great shape. Thank you, dude. Thank you. That wasn't the question, so I'll let it slide.
And Nibs says, Nick and Slim, what's your ranking Tradeify World Cup? Actually, we're both not in it. We weren't able to join it from our...
We're banned because we're too good. They were like, hey, look, guys, we're really sorry, but we know you are the prediction market gods, and that's why we can't let you play, so.
It's true. It's true. Like, I've made some calls on here, and if you haven't been taking my calls with this World Cup, then you're silly. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Here's my next calls, right? Take these, run with it. I'm not going to give it to anyone else. It's just for the London session gang. This is my predictions. Are you ready? Portugal versus Spain, Portugal. England versus... Wait, what's the next one? Actually, let's go game by game.
Let's do the next two.
Just the next two. Okay. Okay, Portugal versus Spain, Portugal. It's going to be like a 2-1 finish. USA, Belgium. I'm going to say USA. It's going to be a tough one. I think there's going to be...
So that means it's going to be Spain who wins and Belgium. So far, every single time Celine predicted a game, it was the opposite. So there you go. Easy W.
No, I predicted England against... No, I did. England against... Wait, who did they play? Wait, England has played... England against Mexico. I said England. I did.
Okay.
Okay.
Bodhi says Nick is the Lulu at this point. What do you mean, dude?
You know what? I'm going to say all the way to the final. This is what the final is going to be. England. I know it's going to be a final with England, but I'm just going to get the... I need to get the... Wait.
Jonathan says England, France finals.
All right, this is the... I've got the brackets now. So we're looking at... Wait, let me put it on my screen. Winner of England versus Norway. Oh, it might be... Oh, damn. Well, Argentina's obviously going to smash Egypt. Then it's going to be England versus Argentina in the semi. And then the final is going to be... England's going to beat Argentina. And it's going to be, yeah, England, France. Agreed. Argentina, Portugal is what I really want. But I think England, France.
This year Portugal will win the World Cup, says Blomind. I don't think so, but... Or Blomind.
Celine, I'm very upset now. Why?
What?
Loco Montana. Yes, Argentina's going to smash Egypt. I need Egypt to be destroyed, obliterated. Like 10 years.
By the way, US pre-market open and Tokyo Stock Exchange close. So maybe Rippy. Let's see. I think it's going to be a dippy for the Rippy, but we'll find out. Anyways, let's run the giveaway. Chat. Let's see who wins and what they win. Just going to copy everybody over from the giveaway form to our good old magic wheel. Here we go. Boom, boom. Copying. It's going to take a little bit. One moment, please. Boom, there we go. Okay. The winner of the second giveaway of the day, Trading Markets, you are disqualified. The winner of the second giveaway of today is gonna be... Bada bing, bada bong.
Bada bing.
Dennis Baggy Nice.
Congrats.
Dennis, type something in the chat. Dennis. Let's see. Tommy says, it's not me. That is correct. It is Dennis. Oh, there he is. Okay, now let's see what you win, Dennis. I'm gonna put on growth account, select account, and lightning funded account. And we're gonna be spinning both wheels at the same time, Dennis. So you, sir, win a, this is a good one. This is a good one. A 150k growth account. Congrats.
Damn.
Now, all you got to do, Dennis, is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email, and we're going to be sending you your free account to your email address within the next 7 days. Congrats.
Let's go. Nice. That's another big account for the giveaway win for today.
Yep. Already 2 big accounts. The next giveaway is going to be once we hit 909 likes. That's the plan.
909. Okay.
909. All right, we're back at my entry. Woo.
I'm loading up evals as we speak because I want to re-enter in longs, but I don't want to take it on these accounts. Bear with me, chat.
Right.
All right. All right.
Torres says, hey, I think Colombia could give a surprise. I hope not. Switzerland has to beat Colombia tomorrow. Please.
Switzerland is not going to beat Colombia, just saying.
Yes. Now that means Switzerland is going to beat Colombia. Always fade Celine on prediction markets.
It's not true. You'll see. Switzerland, I love Switzerland as a country, but them as a national football team, they don't have what it takes. To beat Colombia, no.
Why not?
Sorry, Swiss people. Because you only have one good player and the rest, I have no idea who they are.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay,
I've got this.
Where's Celine Leia, by the way?
What?
Where's Leia?
She was here. Leia was here in the morning. She said she was late. I think she was at work and she had already traded. So she might be skipping out on the stream today.
Damn. Wild. What's up, Izai ICT Trading? Says I'm new. I don't think you're new. Let me double check. Oh, you are actually new. Somebody had a similar name to yours. That's why I thought. Well, yeah, welcome to Tradeify TV.
Welcome. There are a few other ICT traders in here.
What is ICT?
What?
What is ICT?
Oh, no. Isaiah, don't fall for the bait. Poor guy, he's new here as well.
Hey, stop spamming for real, really. You're going to be put in a 1-minute timeout. Sit in the corner. Shinjan says, I'm also new. Hey, welcome to Tradeify TV.
Welcome.
Scum Production says, ICT stands for Internet Computer Technology. Yes.
Yes.
Very correct. Very correct.
Okay, I just long this on evals because I am aiming for Asia High here. But I'm not willing to risk this on these funded accounts, so this is
What's holding you back from taking it on a funded account?
Just because it's not my A+, it's not how I normally trading in the London session right now. Trading continuation long. It just wouldn't be something I'm going to keep buying into because I don't normally trade the session like that. I am convinced that we are going higher. I just, stops, where I'm placing them, etc. That's not something I've ever measured or back tested in terms of continuation. So I don't want to just risk it.
All right. SJ Man says, first time responder, many time viewer. Love you guys. Hey, we appreciate you.
Hey, appreciate you. I know there's a whole bunch of, I met a few people at the expo that are silent viewers that were like, hey,
Yeah.
I don't really comment in the chat. I was like, what's your username? They're like, oh, you wouldn't probably see me, but they are such nice, like there are so many of you that I know that are listening right now. Appreciate you guys because you never troll. You're just here to listen and here for the vibes. So we appreciate you guys. Roman, can we switch really quick? I just need to switch accounts because this is different. Okay.
Wag, 1 minute timeout for that one. Yellow card.
Come on, Wag.
Starer says he probably met my alt accounts in the expo.
Oh, I just read his comment. What the fuck was that?
Random.
Weird. I only comment if I'm hitting on Celine. Guys, it's just you're being weird. Stop the weirdness, chat. Please.
If you
All right, here we go.
too weird, Celine's nose crush is gonna come out. So don't.
Oh no, not the nose crush guy. All right, here is the trade. And then full TP is Asia high. There's 30. You know what? I'm gonna put it just a bit below.
Monathu, that is very true. Celine owes us 10 push-ups. She just entered the trade.
Oh, that's actually true. Okay. All right. Be right back. I'm just putting my orders on. I'll get there.
All right, do it.
All right, here we go.
So we're almost in the same long now, huh?
Wait, where's your entry?
29,880.5.
Nice. Yeah, I'm 870, so we're like 10 points apart. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do these push-ups.
Push-ups for Celine. For those of you who don't know, every single time we enter a trade, we do 10 push-ups.
1, 2, 3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. See, do you already feel the pump?
Yeah, I feel the pump. Also, NQ better pump.
Good. See, you pump for the pump.
Pump for the pumps. Let's go.
That's what this is. That is what this is.
Is it push-ups per trade or per contract as well? No, just per trade.
Well, if it's per contract, then I'm fucked. The question is also, is it just on the entry or is it on the entry and the exit?
Ooh, I think just on the entry.
Wow, Mo.
Wow, Mo. I'm close, Mo, to banning you.
Mo says I'm more impressed Celine can count to 10. Damn.
You know what, Mo? No, that's it. I'm doing a 10-second ban on that one.
No, Mo.
No. Mo, you did it to yourself, that one. That's a 10-second ban. Have a think about it. Andreas,
Sorry,
you're
Mo.
going to your arm sore tomorrow for sure. Yeah. I probably will, but it's worth it. Getting fit and getting wealthy and healthy, chat. Wealthy and healthy.
There you go. Oh, Mo is back. Good morning, Nick and Celine. Love you guys. Love you too, Mo.
Morning, Mo. Welcome back. Don't screw up again.
Yeah. I wonder if you have sore muscles tomorrow because of the push-ups.
Oh, I probably will. I've been on push-ups for a while.
JT Tix says, getting ignored when I ask a question, lol, then a timeout. Yeah, you got timed out by Roman. I saw it. He was just asking how to join a giveaway, which that leads to you getting disqualified from giveaways. That's the rule around here. But since you didn't know that, you just get a yellow card. That was the ban that Roman gave you. Now you're back. And whenever we do a giveaway, we will explain how to join. So don't ask again.
Wait, Mo's never been banned before? Mo, you come through with some crazy comments.
Not Mo. Mo has been banned.
Well, you're welcome.
Well, let's see how often Mo has been banned before. Let's see. Mo, only once, actually, yeah. Crazy. I thought he was banned before.
Well, he said some pretty crazy things in here.
Yeah, that's why I thought.
Okay, I've got to answer this guy because this is the guy spamming before. What indicators do you use? I myself use two types of indicators. One is just a sessions and key levels, and one is just a tool that helps me visualize my setups. So the sessions and key levels one is this one, and this is my other one. Ta-da!
There you have it.
And there you have it.
And there you have it, ladies and gents.
Trade looking good. Trade looking great. I almost feel like I shouldn't have a stop on this. What do we think?
Oh, where did you get that idea from? I like the idea.
What do we think, chat? I might get stopped out of this because of daily loss limit, I think. We're just going to let this run.
How many contracts are in this?
3 minutes.
Ooh.
It's do or die now. I'm heavy. Heavy.
Okay.
Do or die.
It's probably going to go down a bit more before coming back up.
Holy. This is the 15-minute gap again or no? Yeah, it is.
Uh-oh.
Back inside this 15-minute gap again on NQ. Come on, buyers. Step in now.
Kevin, where's Congo, man? I don't know. It's not me.
That's what he says, chat. That's what he says.
The Congo man.
Selena's an ICT trade. I'm just laughing at these trades today. Yes, I do trade ICT concepts, but right now I'm in an eval and I took a long with no stop.
Right now she is...
You can tell I don't like these market conditions.
She's pulling a no stop loss butcher right now.
Oh yeah, but I'm convinced of Asia high.
Ballsy.
I want Asia high sweep, child. What can I say? I needed to buy an eval and get in on this.
I'm setting up some targets on my other accounts really quick.
We've got to hold this 15-minute gap though. We've got to hold it.
Why?
Because if this inverts the 15-minute gap for me, this is a swing point and the next level to the downside. If we invert, then would be this swing where I'll be cooked out of this trade.
Uh-oh.
So...
let's see. Isildur, are you still longing, Nick? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are still longing. We love them schlongs.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Booked. Yeah. We might.
Is it?
Yes. Oops. Oh.
Uh-oh.
This is dumping right now.
No, it's not. Zoom out. Go to the 5-minute chart. Breathe.
Cute.
Breathe.
Look at that. $50 left. Oh, the account's gone.
No.
No, instant blur. Guys, please don't do what I just did. Please be disciplined, chat. Don't do what I just did. But hey, I tried to just pass an eval in one trade. Look, the longs are still on. You best believe the longs are still on. Just buy this. Wherever you can, just hit buy.
Here is the better buy than before.
Here is the buy. I'm telling you now. This is it. This is the buy. And it's
Well,
gone.
it's certainly the better buy than before. That's correct.
Mark my words. Asia High is getting tapped today. 30,010. We're going there.
Mm-hmm.
Let me check.
Mm-hmm.
Carrie says, told you at the start, short-term buy, high time frame shorts.
Thanks, Carrie. We love you.
Thanks, Carrie.
Amazing. We love Carrie.
J Dub says Celine's on tilt. Actually, like, I'm not, because that's an eval, and I'm not on tilt. That's why I took this on evals, not on funded, because I wouldn't want to take a big loss on funded accounts. So I took my partial win, and then I took that loss going long again. And so I was like, nope, I'm only going to try this on an eval. It is not my A+ setup. It is not how I normally trade, but based on the market, the price action, I do believe that is the liquidity that we're going for. And so, yeah, Asia High. I tried it on an eval. Celine, you won't full port another one. I know, should I? Should I full port another one? Should I full port until we get to Asia High?
Don't go in with so many contracts, Celine. Give yourself room to work it out.
No, we want to go in with everything. No, I know.
How it works.
Right,
It is not how it works. Go in. Okay. Do you have a fresh account?
Okay. Oh, yeah. I got a fresh
Okay.
account.
Go in with 1 micro, please. 1 micro right now.
No.
Just trust. Please trust.
No,
1 micro.
I'm not trading micros on an eval. Hell
Just
no.
please do it. 1
For
micro,
what
please.
purpose?
Just do it.
Nope.
Chad, I want to show her. I want to give her the secret, and she doesn't want to let me.
I don't want to trade micros on an eval because I'm not a little bitch.
I'm not saying you're gonna stay on that 1 micro, but right now enter it with 1 micro. Do you rather want to make 0 when it now goes back up, or do you want to make $2 a point?
We want to make $20 a point.
Then go in with 1 mini and watch it blow up.
Celine needs to do push-ups. No. Full port is up.
You had a losing trade, and you said 20 per losing trade, so you got to do 10 more. You did the 10 for the entry, and now 10 for the losing.
Okay, fine. Fine. Doing 10. 1, 2, 3.
She's gonna be checked by the end of the week, guys. She's gonna be walking around like this. That's what's gonna happen. Too slow, Roman. Haha.
I'm actually getting sore.
You're gonna be like a bodybuilder by the end of the week.
I know, right?
Yo, 7, chill, dude. You're gonna be putting time out for 30 minutes.
Surely that's a ban already. Yeah.
Kyle, how long have you been trading? Since end of 2022.
Celine, which chair are you using? Company name? Actually, I don't know. This one I
Celine,
bought online.
Please enter 1 micro. I'll do the push-ups for you, please.
No, I'm not entering this. I'm looking at this brand. So, Songamix, the brand, I think. Not gonna lie. I bought it online.
I just wanted her to take 1 micro, chat. 1 single baby micro.
Why, Nick?
Because I want to show you something.
Show me what.
It's okay. Don't. It's fine. Carrie, yeah, because I didn't have you in my life, you know? I was waiting for somebody like you the entire way along my trading journey, and you just weren't there. But now I have you, Carrie, so you're gonna make me profitable. It's gonna be so good. Can't wait.
Carrie,
how do I join your mentorship, Carrie?
Carrie, where were you? Come on.
I need you, Carrie. Carry me to profitability, please. He says, I was
Carrie
in a short. Oh my God.
All right, let's get the screenshot.
Yeah, send me the screenshot of your short. From where to where were you short? I mean, I believe that you were. I'm not saying that you weren't.
Well, last time we questioned him, he couldn't even give us a screenshot, so I'm not 100% convinced.
But maybe this time he will. I still believe in Carrie. He's gonna carry Tradeify TV to the top. Carrie. He would already be up on your micro, by the way.
Shut up, Nick.
Carrie.
I'd be up on a mini as well.
True. Carrie.
Get us that screenshot, Carrie. Come on.
He's not gonna send a screenshot. He's above that. That's fine.
What? Why not? He doesn't want an account?
First I want to know where he shorted from and where he shorted to. Project Code 7 says, if you click my link, I will take you to a profit so large you will not be able to store it in one single bank account. Wow, 7 is back with another account. You're banned. See you, bye. Never come back. Thank you. Nice. This sounds like a good promise, Project Code 7. I'll sign up. Thank you.
Also, Carrie, anything you say is in hindsight, so I'm not even going to listen to you. Hindsight trading always works.
Hey, Jonathan, that paid off. So, Carrie, tell me, where did you short from and what was your exit? I wanna see it on my chart. I need to know what the code does. Nice, Mo. Congrats. Jonathan, how big was it compared to the Congo game? No, Carrie, I don't want to know your next short. I want to know what was your previous short. Where did you enter your trade and where did you exit your trade? I want to see it on my charts, please. Tell me.
It didn't come from anywhere. Like there was no news or anything.
No, just zoom out. Relax. Hardik Patel says, hello, uncle and auntie. Please set up for XAU USD pair. My friend, we trade futures around here. Carrie, please tell me. I don't want to fucking know fair value gap CISD bullshit, Carrie. Give me your numbers. What was your exact entry point?
He's not going to do it.
As in point, like let me know. Did you enter at 29,860? Did you enter at 29,870? Where did you enter? Tell me, please. Mo.
Yeah, that's so. I seriously did do push-ups, Mo. What the hell?
She did do them, yeah. She did do them.
I'm gonna be so jacked by the end of this week. You'll see.
She's gonna be the most jacked host ever.
Mm-hmm.
He says, "Oh my, I don't use damn numbers, but I look. What do you use then when you trade?"
What the hell? This guy. He also didn't know when London session was. This same trader, just so you all know.
No, that can't be. He's the GOAT.
Hardik Patel, Celine, Auntie, please have for XAU USD. Guys, we're not trading Forex. I have no setups on GC if you're wanting to take trades on gold, but who is this? There's so many spammers today.
Yeah, don't worry, I'll take care of him. Don't worry. Okay, he said 29,859.75 short. Okay, great. And where did you exit?
859.
So that means he took CISD on the 1 minute. Okay, and where did he exit?
Celine getting that chat roid rage with those cats. Yeah, I got that roid rage now.
For real. TP 29,783. Oh, so you're still in it. But you said you're already out, Carrie. So what is it? Are you still in or are you out?
Make up your mind, Carrie.
Chris Invest says you don't have to know entry and exit, you have to know the plan of Carrie. Huh? Well, Carrie, that doesn't make any sense.
No TP, I TP'd already.
He says TP 29,783.75, so about 50-ish points from here. But he also says no TP, I TP'd already. What? We didn't even go there.
What, Carrie? This is why we don't believe you, Carrie, because you
Actually,
you
my fault. We did actually go there.
Oh.
We did actually go there. So you bottom ticked that. Wow, Carrie. Nice.
And Carrie, have we got a screenshot of this, or is this just you going back in price?
See, Carrie, that's the difference. When I make a mistake, I admit it, okay? That's what I said. My bad. We did actually go there.
Ooh.
Okay, now, Carrie, since this was so good and you don't have Insta, send me a screenshot to my email address, nickm@tradeify.co. I bet you have email, right? So nickm@tradeify.co. Look, because I don't want to bother you and I want to make it as easy as possible for you, here's my email address in the chat right now. Send it. The Doris says nigga about to be spammed by scammers. Yeah, let them scam. I don't really care.
Nick, check what I sent in the back.
I know, I saw it. It's kind of funny. It's very funny.
Oh. Yeah, Nick, you better delete that. You're gonna get spammed now.
No, I don't care. I don't really care.
Nick looks more happy when he's with Spud than with Celine. The hell, Aeon.
That's not true.
Trying to make.
I mean, I haven't slept, so it's probably that.
Are you're gonna be streaming New York? So do you plan to sleep before then, or?
No.
No. Okay. Well, there you go, Mo. Go for your life in the New York session with Nick today because he hasn't had any sleep.
Go try, Mo. I gotta go to the bathroom really quick. Give me 2 minutes.
He'll probably just try having a quick nap. Kathleen, are you real? Nope, I'm not real. New like target, Nick. We said 909, did we not? 909 likes. We're at 862. If we get to 909, we will do another giveaway. Ripster Celine looks more happy when she's alone and breaking records. Chat, not true. I'm much happier when the London gang is all together. And by all together, I mean Nick and I both. Otherwise, I'm talking to a silent room. It's very different. I know, imagine Nick falls asleep on the toilet. If he's longer than a couple minutes, we might have to just call emergency. There is more banter between you and Nick than Spud and Nick. Yeah, we got that sibling. Well, we call it banter, but sometimes we're just actually arguing. We just do. Sleep. Nick is like a star-struck fanboy when with Spud. He won't even read my comments like he doesn't know me. Yeah, he gets really shy in front of the Spud. I mean, guys, Spud is like a real rock star around here. I mean, who wouldn't be nervous? Nick is Batman when he doesn't sleep. Oh, damn, that is a theory. He's too busy being the Congo man and being Batman that he couldn't sleep overnight.
Hey,
there he
I
is.
heard that.
He made it.
I'm not the Congo man, I promise.
You had to just go log into the Congo man's account and reply to a few things. He's back, NQD money.
I'm back. Guys, we need a couple more likes. 909 is the like goal. Carrie, I'm still waiting for the email.
Cam Jam. That's just...
What?
He said Nick is definitely a sitter.
What? I don't get it.
Like on the toilet.
Ah. However, he came up with that. However, he came up with that. Wow, Nick, did you get my free course email? Free? I just paid $2,000 for it. What do you mean free?
Only 2,000?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, Trader Girl. I made 2% on my live account shorting from 836 to 805. Very nice. Very nice. Lucky Mon asked, Nick, what happened to your ketchup bottle? Did you also remove that from your desk? Like you removed the switch? Oh, it has moved place though. It did move its spot.
It did, indeed.
It's in a different spot, but it's still there.
It's on the floor right now.
How could you? Comment says 20 more likes. Come on, guys. All right, what are we at? We said 909, right?
Yep.
Okay. Nearly.
Carrie, I'm still waiting for your email.
There's Leia.
What's up, Leia? She loves when you talk about Carries. I know that, so it's probably better that you leave, Leia. But have a great day. Appreciate you jumping in. Bashi Trade says Nick is walking every day. Yes, every day the step counter resets to 0. Every day we gotta chase those 12,000 steps. Every single day, over and over and over and over again. My average is 15,500 this year per day.
Yeah, that's a lot.
The treadmill does the trick.
Nice, Trader Girl. I aim for 2% every day. Trade the sweeps with a sprinkle of ICT in there. Nice.
Trading Market says, is it EOD, Nick? What is EOD? My steps? Or what? Lucky FX says, any plans to add one more streamer in London? Please add Carrie. I mean, look, every single time it comes to Carrie sending proof to me, it just disappears.
Like, where is it gone now?
Huh?
Like, where is Carrie gone? Oh, are you frozen?
No, I'm not. I'm here.
I feel like you froze.
Just let it go.
Cut out for me. But like, Carrie, where we really need this screenshot because we need to... Are you there?
I'm here.
Like, what's going on?
Nothing.
I'm so confused. Did you say... You seriously cut out. I did not hear anything you said.
Oh, okay.
Can you let me know what you said now?
It was a stupid Nick is tired joke.
Damn it. I should have listened.
You said,
well,
Nick, you're frozen, and I said, just let it go.
Oh my God. That is a stupid tide Nick joke, and I'm glad I didn't hear that because that's not funny. Anyway, moving on. Stay tuned for the New York stream. You're going to get a lot of that. Kerry, this keeps happening time and time again. How do you suppose we're meant to believe you that you're taking these trades if the second time now that we've asked for a screenshot, you're gone? And I know you're out there. I know you're listening, Kerry. So all you have to do, send the screenshot to Nick and we'll believe you. But until then, you're just a hindsight trader, buddy.
Damn, getting bodied by Celine. Damn.
Yep. Damn. Well, I don't like guys who come in here and try to call the markets like it's...
Okay. So, Kerry sent me a screenshot. Okay. However, I have one problem with your screenshot, Kerry. You said you exited your trade at 783. Now, let's look at this a bit more in detail. Okay. Here we go. So, where you exited right here on this wick, let me actually move it over so you can see it. Ooh. So we have the same moves. Where you exited right here on this wick, we go to the 1 minute chart. Okay, so we actually have the comparison. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. So, this wick right here, where you had your second exit, your first was even higher. First one was anywhere between 820 and 817-ish, maybe a bit higher, even 830. The second one was at lowest. If you bottom ticked that candle, it was at 803. Yet you told us you exited at 783. So what is it now, Kerry? Because this is not the trade that you told us that you took in the chat.
Well,
yeah, it's hard. It's hard when you have to send screenshots.
It really is. But that's good. At least he did take the trade.
He did take a trade. But those were not the exits that he told us he took.
Well, 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 Kerry.
Well, well, well.
Caught you.
Yeah, but when I asked you, Kerry, for the numbers, you gave me numbers, and those were not the same numbers as on your screenshot. So why are you lying?
Stop lying. When does Kerry drop the course? Oh no.
Yeah, we're done talking about Kerry. You're right, Mo.
Yeah, he's getting way too much attention. Chad, I want to know a poll. Roman, can we throw a poll in there? I want to know who's in trades, who is long, who is short, and who hasn't taken a trade yet. Who has stayed disciplined? Because honestly, looking at the London session so far, it has not really gone too far. Like when you zoom out, we're still sort of stuck in a range. We're inside of Asia's range. So we haven't even, I mean, usually in a London session by now, we would have seen a sweep of Asia high or a sweep of Asia low, and we haven't seen any of that. So when I look at this, I'm seeing just a bit of consolidation here. I still like the idea that we go higher to take out Asia because of how the 4 hours playing out. But I mean, I would have thought we would have already been there by now. Asia high is usually taken, Asia low are usually taken by the end of the stream. So being stuck in this chop, I mean, it is Monday. We don't actually have much red folder news this week. Today there is 10 a.m. red folder news. So like nothing crazy happening in the market. So not really sure why we're just bouncing around in the middle of Asia today, but we'll see. Hopefully we're getting this pump.
But we did hit the next like goal, so.
Oh, hell yeah, let's do it.
Yep, let's do it. Leora, I know you love the God voice, but please don't spam the chat. Do not spam the chat. Oh, look where your 1 micro long will be now, Celine. Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh, so nice.
And my 3 mini long.
So nice. All right, chat, let's run this giveaway. All you gotta do to participate in this giveaway is you gotta like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, how the form is, what the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're going to get disqualified. And if you ask us how to join the giveaway, you're going to get super disqualified. So just don't. Here's the link to the forum. Good luck, everybody.
Good luck, everybody else.
Good luck, everybody else. That's it.
I wonder if we're going to get to 1,300 likes today. Wouldn't that be nice?
Probably not. T3 metrics, you, sir, are disqualified.
Oh, guys.
No, 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 no.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm about to long again.
Good luck.
One sec. Roman, switch back because this is a different account. Thank you. Wait. That's not it. Refresh.
So that means you are going to do 10 push-ups right now.
All right, this is 1 mini. Allow it. This is just 1 mini.
All right.
It's nothing crazy.
10 push-ups. Have fun.
Wait, let me make sure this is the right account. Yeah. All right, be right back. I'm gonna do these push-ups.
Selena's going to be so jacked by the end of the week, guys. So jacked.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Max Allo push-ups. Jeremar. Yep.
I'm back.
She's back.
We're back.
What if she's not doing them? Well, then she's cheating herself.
No, I'm seriously doing them, guys.
I trust.
I'm right here.
Robot says we need to see at least her head to verify.
All right, fine. I will somehow switch the camera. You can see next time.
Imagine she's just standing there like 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, I'm serious. I've actually done, 30 push-ups already? I mean, with my knees on the ground. Like, not crazy push-ups.
It's a start.
But it's something.
It's a start. Frank, when is the paddle showdown? I can give you the exact date, sir. The paddle showdown is in November, and it is going to be on November 8th at 11 a.m. Greek time.
Yep. All right, I just got entered into the longs.
That's in about 4 months, by the way.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Good.
All right, come on, Asia High, let's go. 1 mini this time. 1 mini. Entries now push-ups. No, I just did them I've already. No. That was the push-ups I just did. That was for this trade. There's no more push-ups now.
Mm-hmm.
Pump incoming. No, chat. Pump incoming. Pump. Other way.
We're gonna run the giveaway in about 10-ish minutes, by the way. You still have time to join. And Ali, do I sleep between London and New York? No. I do not.
It's coded. It's code notes. It just joined your push-up challenge. Please don't trade too much, please. All right. Yeah, this will be me done for the session, to be honest.
Damn, Tommy. Says ICT stands for inverse Celine's trade.
Oh no.
Damn.
No. Look, these are not my A+ setups. You can't see my model printing here at all, but it's Monday and I want to see Asia high swept. That's all this is. There is some form of analysis behind it. It's true. I'm playing out of this 4-hour bullish gap and there's a lot on both sides now that make this a little less likely. So I'm trading this on evals. But it's fun. It's fun to just take a little trade on a Monday.
Fast trades levels. How much sleep do you average, Nick? Usually recently less, so about 6 to 7 hours ish. But in the past I always got 8. But I'm more in front of the charts now, so less. It's fine though.
J Royal G Tradie says, how about squats, guys? It's better for sell. Well, first of all, you couldn't even finish my name there. I hate when people just cut my name in half and say sell because it's just terrible. But yeah, squats is not as challenging. Push-ups is definitely better for me. Push-ups are hard.
Clips Legends. Loser is typed with 1 O.
We're loser.
If you wanna kind of like hate on us, at least get your grammar right.
Okay, Charmer says, crazy gambling. This is not my A+ setup, so why do it? So I'm learning about trading. Gambling is a big no-no. Correct. You are 100% correct. And you come to the stream any other day except for today, and I'm literally like saying that all the time. Today, I just didn't want to take I don't like the market price action at all. And so I wasn't willing to take any trades on in my A+ entry model. I didn't want to be on the side of shorts, just didn't think they were going to be long-lived, and they haven't been. Yes, we had a bit of a drop here, but I don't see Asia low as the target. I see Asia high as a target, but in saying that, it's not an A+ setup. So the only way if I was to take a trade, which I did want to take a trade in this, is to take it on an eval. I would never, ever gamble a funded account ever, but an eval, I'm willing to just risk a little bit more. That's about it. That's all this is. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've just gambled a little eval.
Clips Legends, he just typed it again wrong.
No. This guy, FX Entropies, my sister is Sell, and I was calling her Sell, dumb like a bell. All right, I'm just gonna ban that because now I think you're just calling me dumb, and I was just, no.
Ban. See you.
Bye.
You get the London Big Ban.
Big bans today. That's rare, Sing Slinger Fool. See, the people that are here every day, this is rare. This is rare. But I'm just sick of this price action. I just wanted to take a trade without being so strict. That's why this is an eval. You will never see me doing this on Funded.
Leia, the giveaway is actually open right now. You're lucky. You are lucky.
Monday vibes. Yep, for real.
Stefan Jones, streams are every day. Yes, sir. Every single day from 7 a.m. till 10 a.m. UK time. And then 8:30 a.m. till 4:30 p.m. Eastern time. So about 11 hours of streams every single day. Noise Vision says me and my wife have entered. Nice. Nice. Okay, Gary. Okay.
Sling, tell me, why did you put your stop loss on an order block? I literally just put my stop loss below the low here. So we have these lows here and here, and I put my stop around here. There is not much to the stop loss in this trade. I'm also going for a higher target. I'm going for, how many points would this be? Hold on. This is going for 150 points on this.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
150.
150. Chomsuke, did we ever do the 900 giveaway? I don't know if I missed it. We have the giveaway form right now that's opened in the chat.
I love that somebody changed the username to FatShawty89. That's Miriam's old username she had on like old platforms when she was young.
No way.
Will Miriam be there in today's new stream? No, she won't. But Fat Shawty, I guess he will be there.
No way. That's funny.
That's funny.
She's hilarious.
That's actually funny. Fat Shawty89.
Ariane, you're a bit delayed. Where's your cowboy hat? That's old. Grand Cup is over.
The Grand Cup is indeed
Sadly.
over.
Is the giveaway the poll? No, the giveaway is going to be a spin the wheel. Once you guys have entered in the form, in a few minutes, we're going to be doing a spin the wheel. So make sure you entered ASAP. The form is in the chat. Don't ask us where it is. It's in there.
Joey Trades, I'm pretty sure I said younger, but I'm not sure. Maybe I didn't.
Which eval account do you have to be able to use 100 point stop loss? Oh, well, a 150k, of course.
A 150.
Is it an Australian accent we hear from Celine? Yes. Yes, it is.
Yep. It is indeed. All right. We ready for this
Can
video?
we run this?
Yeah, let's run it. Okay, I'm copying everybody over, chat, from the giveaway form. Let's see who wins it. Let's see. Okay. Copying everybody over right now.
Good luck, everybody else.
Takes a little bit of time because there are too many people.
How many did we get?
We got, let's see, 902.
Shit, this is a big. Whoever wins this is very lucky.
Very lucky. Okay, winner of this giveaway is gonna be, boom, SVN8383. Let me double check if you only filled out the form once. Yes, you did. SVN8383, congratulations. Type something in the chat to claim your prize. We don't know yet what it is. You're gonna see it in a second.
Congratulations. I hope it's a big win. Another big account would be sick. 3 huge 150k wins.
SVN8383. Cigar says 1 in 902. That's crazy odds. Well, if you want to know exactly, it is 0.11%. It's actually really, he's really lucky. If he claims, maybe if he doesn't claim, then he's not that lucky. SVN8383, where are you? I need to see you in the chat. I'll give you 20 more seconds. Oh, there he is. Says, let's go. Okay, congrats. Now let's see what you win. It's either going to be growth, select, or lightning funded. Boom, spinning. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, it might be another. Oh, damn.
It is a 25k growth. Now, SVN8383, I just remembered, we haven't done this in a long time. Would you like to play a little game? Here's how that game works. I'm going to put a 0, a 1, a 2, a 3 on this wheel. You can spin this wheel again. If it lands on 0, you lose the account that you just won. If it lands on 1, you get the account. If it lands on 2, you get 2 25k growth accounts. And if it lands on 3, you get 3 25k growth accounts. Do you want to play a game? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Everybody says, do it. Do it. Is what everybody says. SVN 8383. Let's hear it. Yes or no?
The odds are good here. There's only a 1 in 4 chance that you're going to leave with nothing.
Yep. 75% chance you walk away with at least 1 account. 50% chance you walk away with more than 1 account.
Come on.
Let's see what he says.
Let's spin it. Okay, he understands probabilities. Good odds. Yep, let's do it.
Okay, spinning.
Here we go.
Ooh, that's worth it.
Maybe a double up or a
very
triple.
worth it. That's a triple. Boom.
Damn.
Hey, congratulations, SVN. Congratulations. You win 3 25k
Let's
growth
go.
accounts. So, yeah, what should I say? Add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email, and we will be sending you your 3 25k growth accounts within the next 7 days. I mean, come on, 0.11% chance of winning the giveaway, and then a 25% chance of walking away with 3 accounts. I mean, this is your lucky day, dude. Congrats.
He's definitely a lucky guy today.
Congratulations.
Well done.
Yep. Well, chat, with that being done, congrats to SVN8383. Put a big fat W in the chat if you liked this stream today. Put an L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it, which I hope you didn't, because if you did and you're still around, then that's on you guys, right? So put those W's in the chat. And of course, we will be back later today with an 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time New York session stream, and then tomorrow at 7 a.m. UK time for another London session stream. Now, before we leave, Celine, any last inspirational words for the chat?
Look, SVN, go buy a lottery ticket because you're very lucky. No, I was going to say markets have been trashed this London session. So if you managed to bank, well done. Congrats. I'm currently in longs, hoping for that Asia high sweep. But motivational words is don't just fall for your evals. Look, if it's shit price action, don't feel like you have to trade. You know what? You know why I do it. I do it for trade attainment. You know, we're just trying to have fun. But in all seriousness, that is not good. We've got to be better disciplined than this. If your setup's not there, just don't take the trade. Don't do as I did today. But in saying that, yes, I'm writing this eval. I'm in 1 mini and I'm writing it for like 150 point trade. So let's see tomorrow. I'll let you guys know how this trade went. Other than that, tune into the New York stream. Nick is on 0 hours of sleep, so he's going to be even more hilarious by the New York stream. So Mo and any of you trolls out there, today's your day to get Nick in the chat.
I'm scared now.
Yeah, good luck, Nick. But other than that, I will see you guys 7 a.m. UK time. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.
Peace.